What's up, everyone? I'm starting the stream early today. Bitcoin is getting a pump right now as we speak. Let's freaking go. All right. 39,000 as we speak right now. We just broke that resistance for BTC. Hope you had a fantastic Tuesday. I could not help myself other than pressing go live. I was contemplating it, but we're doing it early today. How could I not do it early today? Let's friggin' go. Get the laser eyes going. 39,000 as we speak, guys. So what just happened, right? So you guys could probably see by my thumbnail that I did have, actually originally I had a perfect falling wedge that has broken out to the upside, and now we are going up to my measured move target at 30, really it's about 40,000 is our measured move target right now. So let's friggin' go. If we break 39,000, I'm throwing on the pump music, and we're about to throw on the pump music early. We're about to throw the pump music on early. Let's freaking go. So we clearly broke that resistance. We're getting some higher volume here, and that's freaking awesome. Let's freaking go. Can we break 39,000? There it is. Let's friggin' go, guys. 39,200. Another perfect timing for the stream. We're going up to 40K. That's our measure move target. You could also, if you really wanted to, you could have drawn this as maybe some sort of bull flag too. But we have broken out to the upside. This is friggin' awesome, man. This is friggin' awesome. We've had two great timings on stream so far the last couple days. We'll see what happens here, right? We could get some resistance at really this local high. I don't see it being a huge resistance though, but keep that in mind. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a pullback right now for BTC. Let's friggin' go though. I'm actually going to switch the laser eyes into the moon helmet because I like the moon helmet because we're going up to the moon here. So what I was originally going to talk about before the stream started was originally we were in a falling wedge. Right, we were kind of broke out, but the volume really wasn't there. And I was like, did we actually break out? Because the volume showing that we may not have broken out. But it looks like we clearly have broken out there. And I was also looking at the volume. If you see down here, our volume was very much declining here. So it was very obvious that we were in some type of pattern. Volume was super low. That's why I was kind of expecting a breakout sooner rather than later, even though we really only had, 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on the top. On the bottom, and 3 touches on the top. So whatever, we broke out a little bit prematurely there. 39,000 as we speak right now. Let's see if we hit our measure move target of all the way up here at about 40,059. I see a lot of people calling this a cup and handle too. You could call this a cup and handle if you really wanted to. I don't usually don't like the downward sloping cup and handles, but if you really wanted to take it like that, you could have a target of approximately same thing. It's like upwards of like 41,000. So somewhere in between 40,000 and 41,000 is our target here. Now, obviously, we got to get the juice. We have the juice on the 1 hour RSI, and we have the juice on the 15 minute if we really want to keep going up here. So we have room on our smaller time frames if we want to go coming up. We just have to get that juice. And as we all know, it doesn't take Bitcoin to get a lot of this juice, right? It takes a quick kind of impulse to get. We saw what happened 2 days ago, right? We thought the pump was over, and then all of a sudden you saw my face like this for like 10 seconds straight because we pumped like 4,000 to the upside. I don't know if something like that is going to happen again. It certainly can. We have the room to run if we really want to. If we want to do some type of short squeeze, maybe people put a lot of shorts back up here at 40,000 for whatever reason. We get that short squeeze. Could see a pretty significant move to the upside here, but we'll wait to see what Bitcoin does here on the short term. But I had to start the stream early today because how could I not start the stream early when Bitcoin's pumping? It doesn't make a lot of sense. People telling me to start the stream early. Here we go. Bitcoin's going up again. Do I have to play it again? like 39,200 as we speak. We're about to go for it again. That's what it does. Bitcoin pumps, comes back down a little bit, goes again, comes back down a little bit. We'll see if we have the juice to get over 39,200. I don't know if that's a huge resistance looking left. And if we look left, do we have anything at that general level? 39,200. Not really seen anything. Yeah, we have a kind of a top here. I guess you have some support and resistance levels looking left. So could be a little bit of annoyance, but we'll see. We'll see. I don't think it's going to be huge. Also, Ethereum is getting a nice move right now. 2,300 for ETH. What's awesome about ETH is forming a beautiful sort of rounded bottom, and then it's also kind of doing exactly what we want to see for Ethereum. Just a quick touch on Ethereum. You can see here we broke this downward resistance. We broke out, came back down, tested it as support, and are now trying to bounce up to the freaking upside. So we'll see. I mean, Ethereum looks good. It also has that kind of cup and handly look. If you can bounce back up here and get back above this $2,400 level, I mean, you could see a pretty significant move for Ethereum as well. If you were to break this to the upside, it would be approximate measure move for Ethereum all the way up here towards about 3,000, 3,100, somewhere around there. That could be the measure move target of that if we break out. Now, obviously, we have to wait to see what Bitcoin does, but nonetheless, Ethereum looks pretty freaking juicy. Pretty freaking juicy, if you ask me. That volume's starting to come in here, which is good to see. Oh, guys, I got the Dunkin' coffee today. Dunkin's not sponsoring me yet, but I decided to get a Dunkin' coffee today. I think it was only right for me to get a Dunkin' coffee day because I had those. If you guys were in the stream earlier, right, the pregame lobby stream, right, our pregame crew, I was saying, right, I have a little feeling in my gymborees, a little feeling in my, a little feeling in there, and we got that breakout, which is freaking awesome. Freaking awesome. Your uncle called for another short squeeze. Hey, if my uncle wants a short squeeze, I will take a short squeeze. No, but BitBoy's been pretty spot on with some of his calls lately. So, shout out to BitBoy. Shout out to BitBoy. He's actually been pretty right so far. So hopefully he's keeping right. As long as he stays bullish, let's hope that he's right, right? It's when he's bearish is when we don't want him to be right, I guess. But yeah, all right, we're going up to 39,000. If we break 39,200, I'm throwing on the pump music again. I think we're at least going to test 39,700 in my opinion, just because that's what kind of would make some sense here at the end of the day. But yeah, I mean, dude, Bitcoin's looking juicy. Bitcoin is looking juicy as hell. We talked about, the possible cup and handle pattern, also the falling wedge. So both of them point to 40,000, 40,000, 41,000 for anyone's joining the stream right now. We probably got people who normally join the stream at this time coming in right now. I had to start a little bit early today, guys, because Bitcoin started pumping, all right? So exciting freaking stuff. Let me actually, are you sure it's not something you ate? Probably not. Let me change the title here because freaking, hold on. Gotta change the title because the title doesn't make any sense anymore because I put on the stream 2 hours ago, Bitcoin breakout is coming, and there you go. Boom. Bitcoin breakout happened right as we were about to start the stream. Perfect timing again. Perfect timing. What is freaking awesome. All right, 39,200. There it is. There it is. And we sustain it for more than 2 seconds. Let's find out. Can we get that? Dude, if we get another short squeeze, I'm literally going to pass out on stream. Like I said this on Discord yesterday. If we get another short squeeze, I will be on the floor passed out. Okay? I literally be passed out. On the floor. And I won't even be able to do this. All right. There it is. There it is. Come on. We got to hold it. Hold it. Come on. Get over it. Come on. Get a little bit higher. A little bit higher than 39,224. Come on. I don't want to prematurely press the button, guys. You guys know me. I don't like to prematurely press the button. We're struggling to hold that 39,200. Yeah, the volume's okay. That a lot of this volume came in right at the end though, so we'll see how the next volume candle is. Obviously, the next hourly is about to open, so we'll see what that one does. We have 6 minutes until the open. Maybe we're kind of wait here until the next hourly open for the next 5 minutes, and then take that next impulse on the next hourly candle. Right? We have 6 minutes until the next hourly candle opens. Could maybe be some significance there. 4 hour looks really good. I know I see some people talking about sort of a 4 hour big cup and handle. I don't. It's a little awkward looking. I've seen other people talk about this around the YouTubes. So I thought I'd mention it, but we do have a rounded out figure here, even though it's not perfect. And we're rounding out again here for a possible big, giant cup and handle pattern. And I also see some people also talking about, oh, there it is. There it is. Friggin' go, baby. Oh. That was the best. Let's friggin' go. 39,300 as we speak right now. Let's friggin' go. Oh, this is so much needed, man. I mean, we were here every single day during the sideways. Even like I said yesterday, guys, even if this doesn't last, it's just good to see some price action, man. It really is. It really is. Man, it really is. Let's see Ethereum real quick. Ethereum still chilling at 2,300. Oh, Mars, we got it right now. Ethereum sitting at 2302. It's kind of just stuck there. Could just be a glitch on maybe that chart, but 2302 right now for ETH. Let's see what else we got. Yeah, 2302, and Cardano is at 128. So Cardano is trying to make some moves too. A little bit laggy for Cardano. Cardano's not moving as well as the other guys here. 2305 for Ethereum now, as Bitcoin tries to continue up here. Or Bob losing his last $5 again. No, it's Job of the Short. Job of the Short. You guys will see another guest appearance from Job of the Short later. He's going to talk about a short again, guys. We're going to keep pumping, and Job of the Short's going to keep coming out and try to explain to you guys why it's not good to leverage short Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? If you guys want to short a coin, go short a damn meme coin, all right? Go short damn Shiba or Doge, right? Shiba or Doge. I've seen people in the Discord shorten SHIB. I think I saw Ecoms, Algo. You guys short SHIB all the time. You guys are here. What's up, Newton? We're chilling right now, my friend. We're chilling right now. All right, 2302 for ETH, getting a little bit of a pullback. Right? It's right now it's kind of like elevator up, stairway down, elevator up, stairway down. Kind of slowly making our way up there. Real quick, while Bitcoin's not moving though, the other thing I saw a lot of people talking about today is, everyone wants to talk about, or did want to talk about, the possibly big weekly head and shoulders pattern. I think that you can kind of invalidate that now. That doesn't really make a lot of sense. Originally you had the right shoulder, but it looks like you rejected it to the upside, so you can kind of throw away that head and shoulders. Now, right, what I saw a couple people talk about this as well, is a possible weekly and daily, it's on the daily too, but on the weekly possible head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders pattern for Bitcoin, where if we do get rejected from this level, which we're right now, where we tested this previous time, if we actually get one more dip back down and we round out, we could have a giant weekly inverse head and shoulders too, where you got the left shoulder, the head, and if you make one more, it could be a giant weekly head and shoulders. That would actually be a breakout. Let me show you guys the breakout real quick of this. Would be a breakout all the way upwards towards almost 50,000. You're talking 48.5. Makes a lot of sense, right? Previous support back here. So that's definitely one thing to look out for if we get a pullback, right? Maybe we don't even get a pullback and we don't have to worry about that, but definitely could be something interesting there as well. Team Hodl. Shorting ADA big time. You're shorting ADA? Yeah, ADA's not moving as well as the other coins. Like, I don't know. It's kind of just a little bit stagnant. I mean, it's fine, though. It's fine. Sometimes that's what ADA does. Let's go to the 4 hour on ADA. Get a little bit of a pump. A little bit of a pump there. Nothing crazy, though. Ethereum chilling. Bitcoin getting a little bit of pullback. Well, as we know, right, it's a little slightly up, a little bit down. Slightly up. All right, new hourly. New hourly, we'll see if we pump. I'm expecting a pump on this new hourly. I don't know, I got that feeling in my jingles. The feeling in my jingles. I don't think we've hit a point of reversal yet, in my opinion. I think we at least go back up and test 39,750. It only makes sense now because we don't really have much anything here, right? We should be pumped straight up through here and we dump straight through here. So it doesn't make sense for us to stop right here in this area. It just doesn't, you know? Just doesn't make sense. Guys, is the stream lagging for you guys? Someone said stream's lagging. I think someone was just trolling though, so I don't think the stream's lagging, so ignore that. 39,200. Let's go. Look at AMP. AMP is pumping right now. Yeah, we'll look at altcoins shortly. We'll definitely look at altcoins shortly. Today's probably going to be a little bit different of a setup. I mean, we kind of... I mean, it's one of those things that I had a bunch of charts set up, but we broke out, so it's like... it's kind of like whatever. Right, we already broke out. I was originally going to explain why I thought that the pump was coming, and the pump already came before I started the stream, so it kind of threw out everything I was going to talk about. So, which I prefer, because I'd rather watch a pump than me explain why I think a pump is coming. So, real quick on the 4 hour, like we talked about yesterday, guys. The 0.61, I love the golden pocket of the fibs. Right, bottom to top. Let's. Whoops. I wanted to... What did I want to do? Oh, yeah. I wanted to look at this Fibonacci, all right? Top to bottom. You can even take it from this top if you really wanted to. Look exactly where we went to, man. On the retracement. Boom. Golden pocket, 0.65, 0.618 Fibonacci. And now we bounce right at that level. We talked about that yesterday as well. That played out pretty nicely. Doesn't always have to happen like that, but that was beautiful. I love it when stuff works out. It just makes the chart nice and clean for future price action. And that's really in the 4 hour. And the 4 hour just looks really good. Now your 20 EMA has caught up to you, right? It's been our support on this move up so far. We bounced off of it here, bounced off of it here. We didn't quite come back down to it here. That's fine, right? We've let it catch up to us. We want to keep this relatively close. If we get too far overextended, it could mean obviously a big dump. So as long as we kind of correlate, consolidate here sideways, that's fine. That's absolutely fine. All right. So that's that. Looks like Bitcoin's pulling back a little bit right now, but that's fine. Are we really surprised? Like we just got a pretty quick pump there. I don't think it's going to last very long. I think we're going to go again personally. Sell off back below 39,000. Yeah. We could just what we could be doing here is on the breakout, right? What do we like to do on breakouts? We like to come back down and test either the previous high, or we like to come back down and test the wedge, right? So we could either come back down here and test, or we could just test our previous high. So I'm going to put a line here where I think we just could come back down and test, and looks like that's what we could be doing. Just coming back down and testing that level. If not, we're going to test our wedge, right? So we'll see which one we hold there. Wouldn't be surprised if we actually, yeah, I mean, it would make sense for us to bounce here, right? Previous highs from back here, previous highs from here, just a quick retest. Or we retest, like we said, we retest somewhere down here. One of the two. Always get some sell pressure after a rip. Yep, and usually, like I said, you usually like to come back down and retest. You don't want to pump up to oblivion, because then if you ever come back down to these levels again, you have no support. So I was looking at the chart as a bull pennant, which gives it a target of over 42K. Yeah, you could also make that. I Actually, as the stream was going on here, I actually changed it to like this, to a more of a bull flag. And, you know, you could also draw it like that. I know a lot of people like to draw it like this. And I think that would give you a target of a pretty damn high. 44,000, depending on how you draw it. You could also draw it with the flagpole just being this simple flagpole here like this. And that would give you a target of 42,500, which is awesome. 42,000-ish. But all right, looks like we just came back. Look, guys, looks like we just came back down, tagged that previous high perfectly, and are looking to get a bounce up there. So we'll see if we bounce back over 39,000. And there we go. We could just continue the run there after a nice little back test. Perfect back test. We might have to close a red candle, but I would be surprised if we actually close this as a red candle, just to kind of, you know, show that there's a back test. Usually you like to do that on back tests, have a red candle in the back test and then continue up in the next hourly. Don't have to necessarily do that, but we'll see. You came back down faster than diamond pattern, we're fine. Someone calling it diamond pattern. Definitely could be. Dude, there's so many possible patterns right now. It's ridiculous. Like, you could also draw this a diamond pattern too. That would look pretty legit. Pretty legit. Continuation to the upside. That could be pretty legit. I could see that. I'm going to keep it like this for now, though. Or you got the circle. I got the circle because I either thought I was going to come back down, back test its previous highs, or it was going to come back down and back test the channel or the wedge. Looks like it just came back down and back tested the previous highs. So we'll see if we bounce from here. We'll see. Thoughts on the Congress hearings? I haven't looked at that, Mars, to be honest with you, man. You know, I haven't really looked at that today. How many people we got in here right now? 1,500. Guys, if you spam up those likes. I know we started the stream a little bit early today. Sorry for anyone who joined late, but Bitcoin was pumping, so I had to start early. You guys didn't really miss anything. You just kind of missed Bitcoin pump. I haven't even really gone over any of the charts I really wanted to go over yet. If you guys can spam up those likes, though, let's just try to get up over 500 likes, right? That would be pretty sweet. Definitely pretty sweet. Definitely would appreciate it, guys. Helps grow the channel, and yeah. Also, Jeff, before the stream started, Jeff became a member. Thank you for becoming a member of the channel, Jeff. Appreciate it, my man. Mars said, how's the wife doing today? Wife is looking really juicy, too. We got up as high as 2,311, it looks like. Quick pullback with Bitcoin. Quick pullback, which is fine. Bitcoin's back over 39,000 as we speak right now, though, so could be gearing up for another run to the upside here on the quick back test of the previous resistance. James said, I got 1 million Corgi Doge for $1 up 24,000%. 240. Congrats, James. But are we going to look at it?
Nope.
I'm sure you're just trolling, though, man. I'm sure you're just trolling. Oh, I'm blurry. Hold up. Let me change it. Thank you, Joe. Appreciate the comment on my new helmet. It looks pretty good, doesn't it? It looks pretty snazzy, if I should say. Dimitri said, after 2 months of pain together, this is good. Yeah, we need this, man. I mean, like I said, we were here every single day during the entire boring period. We did not miss one day. Maybe I missed 2 days because I went to a wedding. Other than that, we did not miss one entire day of the boring period. So it's nice getting some price action. It definitely makes it a lot more exciting, to say the least. And Mars, I don't know anything about the Congress hearings. I haven't looked at it. If that's something that came out today, no idea. Unless you're talking about the Elizabeth Warren, the Elizabeth Warren thing, you know, where she's trying to come at cryptocurrency, which we'll talk about when we get to the news section today. But yeah, she's another one that, and everyone that wants to complain about crypto, no offense, anyone that's old out there, there's probably a lot of people that are old out there. I know because I look at the demographics on my channel. No offense, but like, it's always old people that complain about cryptocurrency, how it's so bad for everything. You never see someone under the age of 40 ever complain about cryptocurrency. It's always old people. But it is what it is. All right, 39,100 right now as we speak. They can't stop crypto. Exactly, Bulletproof. They cannot stop crypto. It's absolutely ridiculous. We'll go over that story in a second, though. That one kind of jumbles up my my dritters. Waterfly said, I'm not complaining. Stop going to, yeah. Isn't 51K our major point? Yeah, absolute facts. Except me. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's like I said, it's not all old people. Just to anyone that does complain about crypto, which, you know, is a large amount of people, mostly crypto. I'm 45 and all bullish on crypto. There you go, Sonny. Like I said, it's not everyone. It's not everyone. Can you look at Kava? Yeah, absolutely, James. We'll look at it in just a second. See what Cardano's doing. 127 still for Cardano. E still chilling at 2,300. Awesome stuff coming here. All right. 40 years old. Let me get my walker. Greg said, I feel like a sharp sell-off in the stock market could spill over to crypto and precious metals to drive lower. Yeah, I mean the S&P 500 did get a little bit of a dip. I guess technically today, but it's after markets. Looks like you're starting to make a little bit of recovery. I mean, we just saw it the other day though. We saw a sharp drop off in the stock market and then recovered really quickly, right? I know everyone's calling for a stock market crash, but if everyone's calling for a stock market crash, it's probably not going to happen, right? All I see is stock market crash, stock market crash, stock market crash. We've been hearing that for this entire year so far, right? So we're already almost in August and still hasn't came yet. So I'm not too worried about that. And if it comes, it comes. It's not something we can really predict, right? So we shall see. Looks like just a back test. I mean, on the stock market, this looks like a back test of this previous high, and you're just going to flip it into support. It looks like it's starting to come back up again. So. Holly said, you might have to kick my butt. I'm crypto crazy in love, and I've been almost 2 years now. Not all old people are old. Exactly, Holly. It's not all old people. It's on. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, BTC. Make another run. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. 39,100. Oh, come on, BTC. You were right there, my friend. You were right there. I really want to play the pump music. It gets me going. Gets my limber jimberies going here. Ecom said I'm not old. We all know Algo's old. Algo's old though. Algo in his stonks. Told you she's getting eaten up. Guys, stop eating up my wife, okay? Please stop eating up my wife. Save some for me, right? I want my cake and I want to eat it too, okay? And if you guys keep eating up my eating up Ethereum, I'm not going to have any action at night, you know. And it's already very, very slim because we're not doing very well over here, okay? So stop eating my wife and let me have some. I don't get any action as it is. Yeah, that's true. Craig said I'm old. Oh man, it's gonna be the new meme now. Jordan doesn't like old people. All right, old people say crypto is like the roulette wheel. I mean, not really. The one thing I have to say about old people saying crypto is unsafe, crypto is a speculative asset. Do they not know that crypto has been in a consistent uptrend for the last 10 years, has been the best asset you could possibly own over the last 10 years, besides Doge, but we won't go there, okay? But also, another cryptocurrency. I don't understand. I think they're all just jelly because they didn't get in on it and they didn't make the same gains, right? They just want to shut down stuff because They didn't get in it. If I guarantee you, if they got in it early, they would not be opening their trap one bit about crypto. Not one freaking bit. All right? Seriously. Kathy Wood and Matt Wallace likes Dogecoin, 3 days old. Do your own research. Yeah. The whole stock market is speculation. Boomers make no sense, man. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you could say the same thing. Stocks are speculation, right? Stocks are pure speculation. I mean, no one wants to come about the whole stock thing that are pumping based off pure speculation right now, that I'm not going to talk about. Rodney said Jordan stands up George and hates old people. Rodney, I do not hate old people, okay? I hate this chick. Where's her face? Is she on here? She's not on here. Put the damn face of the person you're talking about in the article, man. Like, seriously. Come on, BTC. 39,000 sitting right there, dude. It's sitting right there after a nice back test. It's gonna go. I know it's gonna go. It just... I still got that feeling in my gymborees that we're gonna at least test 39,750 at least tonight. I don't know. I feel like it's coming, personally. Look at where we are on the weekly, right? We know we always talk about our 20-week EMA. We are right at our 20-week exponential moving average right now as we speak. Like right there. It's sitting at 39,392. We're at 39,167. We're about $200 below that. Like I said, we want to close the weekly above this. We close the weekly above this. That's just one further step of us breaking out. You can see we're also engulfing, right? That's obviously not a typical weekly engulfing candle.
On the grind, calling it now.
On the grind, calling it now, 60 seconds. Yeah, you better be right. Oh, on the grind. You better be right, okay? Seriously. But if you actually zoom in real quick, I don't know if I can zoom in anymore here. Yeah, it's the most I can zoom in. You can see right here, we are currently engulfing our previous weekly highs right here on the close. Right? Our previous weekly highs were right here at about 38,950. We are currently engulfing those weekly candles. That's going to be super bullish. If we close above this EMA and engulf these candles, guys, the laser eyes are going to come out again. That would be super bullish. Obviously, today's Tuesday. Like we always say, a lot can happen between today and Sunday, right? A lot can happen between the 2 days. So always keep an open mind that you could get rejected here and come back down a little bit lower. We're not out of the woods yet, even though I'm wearing the moon helmet, right? I might seem like a moon boy. I am a moon boy long term, but I also am a realist during the short term. And we got a lot of work to do still, right? We're looking super bullish right now. Got to break the 20 EMA on the weekly. Got to break the 20 SMA on the weekly. Got to just break 41,000 in general. So age poll. All right, I got you. You guys really want the age poll. All right. Age poll. So guys, I'll tell you right now that the ages of my channel, probably in most of crypto, majority of people are between the ages of 25 and 30. Actually, you know what? I have the exact stats here. Hold on. I'll tell you guys right now. I can literally pull it up my channel right now. Let me see. You guys really want to know the ages of people in here, don't you? Like, that's what we're worried about at this point, is the ages of people, which is absolutely hilarious. Let's check, guys. Let's check what we got here. Uploads, live, analytics. What are we doing? All right, analytics. Analytics. Where's the friggin' audience? Here we go. Age. Where is it? Oh, here we go. Okay. Here's the exact stats of my channel. Okay. I have it right here. We don't even need to do a poll. Okay. So, all right, we're going to start from the bottom here. So, for whatever reason, we got 13 to 17 years old is 0.1%. Right? We have 18 to 24 is 11.8%. Okay. We have the majority here. The majority is actually 25 to 34. Let's friggin' go. That's my age range. Let's friggin' go. 25 to 34 is 35%. Then we have 35 to 44 is the second biggest at 30%. Okay. And then we have 45 to 54 is 15%. 55 to 64 is 5%. And 65 plus, right? 65 plus is only 1.7%. Okay. So majority of people are between 25 and 44, if that makes sense. We're talking over 65% of people are between those two ages, right? So there you go. Boom. There's the exact stats. I come with the stats. We only talk stats here on this channel. That's all we do. HODL. 35, 25 to 34, a bunch of babies. Oh, here we go.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Newport. No one cares about your coin, man.
Nope.
All right. No meme coins on this channel, bro. Appreciate the super chat. I don't know if that's like a real person or not, but it's what it is, man. No meme coins. No meme coins on this channel. If you are a meme coin channel, go to Final Stand. Go to Final Stand because he likes meme coins. Older people didn't have this opportunity in 20s. Absolute facts. Absolute facts. I guess they did. Holy. All right, guys, there's a thunderstorm going on right now. So if my power goes out, I warn you. Because there's literally a giant thunderstorm going down right now. Just scared the crap out of me. Wow. So if my stream goes down, it's the power. Okay? It's literally the power. Yeah, but I mean, people in their 20s did have this general opportunity, right? Usually. Because they had the stock market was like, that's when you had the technology boom. Right? What's up, Marco? Came a gold member. Appreciate it, Marco. Appreciate you joining the channel. If you guys want to join the channel, become a member. You guys can press that join button right in the bottom of the chat if you guys want to join there. All right. Elizabeth Warren, a.k.a. Punta said Kane. That's absolute facts. IR said, I'm going to place a market order soon. Pump this ready. You called 60 seconds on the grind. You were wrong, my friend. But we've all been wrong. We're all wrong on this channel. Let's be honest. All right, let's go over some other stuff. And we kind of went a lot of our big charts for BTC. You can see right now, guys, on the daily, guys, this is big. This is friggin' big.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
We're about to get the daily close. If we close where we are right now, guys, this is huge. We're about to get a daily close above the 200 EMA. And I asked you guys this on Twitter. A lot of people said no. We're not going to close above the 20 EMA. Obviously, we have 38 minutes until the weekly close, or sorry, until the daily close. But you can see this has been our resistance this entire time. Once right here, right? Once right here. We couldn't close above it. We wicked above it, couldn't close. Look where we are right now. About to close above the 200 EMA for the first time since May 18th. We're talking 2.5 months ago. That's freaking exciting. Now that currently sits at 38,500. I'm going to get, this is super bullish. And this is just one more step for us breaking back above this and also breaking back above our 20-week EMA, which we're also going to take a look at shortly here. But that's freaking awesome, man. That's freaking awesome. We're about to break back above that. Let's freaking go, boys. Let's freaking go. Bear hunting season, absolutely. That's facts. And then obviously, guys, always keep in mind, like we're moon boys on this channel, I guess. Not really. We're more realists, right? If we look bearish, we're gonna state it. I don't see anything on the chart that looks bearish right now. The only thing I will say is if we can't break back above 41,350, obviously that's not good, right? We still got to break back above this whole red box of resistance. We have a lot of resistance in this red box. So until we do that, we have to stay a little bit grounded here. But this is looking to be a really, really bullish daily close today. Super bullish. What's up, James? Game member. Thank you, man. As always, and on the grind said, please sing your Bitcoin sign going into the close. Let's go. My Bitcoin sign. On the grind. I will totally sing the Bitcoin sign. I don't know what the Bitcoin sign is, though. To be honest, dude. I really don't. I'm a starfish. Facts. Also facts. What's the Bitcoin sign on the grind? I'm trying to look for you in the chat so I can see your answer. Tom Brady, let's go. Tom Brady, let's go. He's got the best let's goes in the world. That's definitely true. Definitely true. Here's some cash to buy Matic. Thank you, Kellen. I'll definitely buy more Matic, man. Holy moly. I'm pretty sure it is pouring outside right now, guys. Like I said, if power goes out, I will try my best. Right now, I'm warning you guys. If the power goes out, don't leave the stream. I will get back here as soon as I can. Okay, I will run downstairs, flip that switch, boom, be right back up here, turn the stream back on. It's lightning and thunder outside like crazy right now. Crazy. All right. But yeah, I definitely want to buy more Matic though. That's definitely facts. But we already talked about this. You guys didn't join the stream already. I'm seeing if we even get a pullback here on the weekly, I'm still seeing the possibility of a inverse head and shoulders right now. You can see the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, which could possibly form if we do get a pullback down to maybe even like 35,000, which I don't know. I don't even know if that happens at this point, but just something to look out for. Oh, the Bitcoin. Oh, the pump song. All right, I'll play the pump song going into the close. How about that? Deal? We got a deal. According to people who short Bitcoin, I am going over $47,000 incoming. Oh, for sure. And then not only are we about to close above the 200 EMA on the daily, but that sets us up, like we just talked about, for also a potential break above the 20 EMA on the weekly. We are, like we said earlier, we are only about 200. Now we're about 300, but we're only a couple $100 away from that, breaking back above that. We obviously have tonight, we have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We're talking 5 days, 6 days, whatever you want to look at it as, to get back above this. So that's looking super good as well. Anything else I really want to touch on? Not really. I mean, all this stuff, we're just waiting for some of the short-term stuff. Daily RSI is getting a little bit up there. But like I said, we've gone over this before, dude. Like, you can stay overbought on the daily RSI for we were over here. We were overbought on the daily RSI from the middle of October till the middle of November for almost a month. So even if we get oversold here, it can go sideways up here for a while and still go up in value, you see? So always remember that just because we oversold doesn't mean we can't pump. At the same time, may be a sign that we need to cool down. Stock RSI, same thing. We're a little bit overbought on the stock RSI as well. But same thing, like you can be topped out on this for a month too, and you can still pump, right? So it's one of those things when Bitcoin wants to do a thing, it's going to tell the technicals.
Nope.
And it's going to look at the technicals and go, and it's not going to care what the technicals are saying. It's just going to do its thing. So always remember that too. Technicals only get you so far with crypto. Nope. Nope. That's that. MACD looking good. We obviously got our cross a couple days ago. Let's see. Should we check out Ethereum? Yeah, we'll check out Ethereum real quick, guys. I'm going to switch back over to Ethereum here.
Ethereum.
This is my wife, Ethereum. But yeah, you can see here in the 4 hour. 4 hours looking good. Perfect bounce off our resistance. You can see right here. 1, 2, 3. Bounce off resistance. 4. Came back down. Bounced off of it. And are now trying to bounce back up to the upside. Super bullish there for Ethereum. Now, obviously, we have to get back above our local high at 2,400. We get back above that. Medium fries or medium Coke? I'm going medium fries all day, man. I try not to drink soda. Bad for your teeth. And just kind of makes me feel like crap in general. But yeah, 2,600 is our next target if we can break our previous high at about 2,400. So Ethereum looking really good. You got room to run on the 4-hour RSI. Plenty of room to run. Daily is looking good. Still have plenty of room to run on the daily RSI. Our fractal still looking mighty, mighty juicy here. Look at this. Look at this. Come on now. Come on now. You can't even tell me. You can't even tell me this still isn't playing out, boys. All my fractal friends. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Consolidate, up. So next up would be a little bit more upside if this was to play out. Get rejected. This actually makes perfect sense. Get rejected at this next high, 2,600. Consolidate, pump back above it, come back down, confirm it as resistance, and continue up. We'll see if that continues to play out. Still a pretty damn good fractal. If you guys are new to the channel, this is the fractal from last time. Ethereum had a decent dump right here. Pretty much the exact same thing is playing out there, which is friggin' awesome, like we said. And that's really it for Cardano. I mean, for Ethereum. Like, we're still looking super good. We're back above our daily EMA ribbon for Ethereum, which is also super freaking bullish. Okay? Super freaking bullish. You can see, first time we've been above the daily EMA ribbon. Let's go back. We got back above it a little bit right there, but actually, we got a close above it yesterday. So, when's the last time we had a close above it for more than one day, besides this little fake out right here? Well, it was all the way back up here on May 17th. So, we're obviously, again, we're talking a month, we're almost 2.5 months ago since we were clearly above that EMA ribbon, which is awesome, man. Super awesome as well. And then our moving averages back above our, looks like our 200 and our 50. We have our 100 coming up shortly here, which we're going to have to probably break. That's probably going to be a little bit of a pain in the butt there, but it is what it is. When that comes, we'll go over that. We'll check out Cardano real quick. Cardano's kind of doing, Cardano's just kind of chilling. 4 hours, same thing on Cardano. Like, we broke this downwards resistance, came back down, tested it perfectly as support, and now we're continuing back up. And if we actually go to a shorter term time frame on Cardano, I think what you're doing here, if you really zoom in, is you have an upward support coming up, and you have a downwards resistance coming down, and I think you're going to see a breakout here relatively soon. Relatively soon, right? Okay, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top. You're probably going to see a breakout here probably by tomorrow morning, depending on what Cardano wants to do. Now, if you break this to the upside, you know, depending on how you're looking at this, could see a move approximately up to, see a measure move target, depending on where you break out. Say you break out in the next couple hours, would be a move up to about 146 if we break out of there for Cardano. So we'll watch that. We'll see if that plays out over the course of the stream. But that's really what I talk about Cardano. Same thing on Cardano. If we go to the daily, we'll see where we are in our EMA ribbon. Still got some work to do there. Still at the bottom on Cardano. Not as bullish as Ethereum at the moment. Cardano's been kind of a stable coin, as we would say. Really big stable coin. And the 4 hour perfect bounce off the top of the 4 hour EMA ribbon. So I guess looking not too bad, but at the same time, still not really moving too well at the moment. Where do you stake your ETH? And what's the yield? I don't stake my ETH, I just hold it. I don't stake anything, actually. I don't stake any of my crypto. I need to sign up the Gold Club. Go for it, man. Go for that. Go for that. All right. Bitcoin's pumping right now? Nah. Someone said Bitcoin. I thought Bitcoin was going off. I was about to go to the joke. I eat steak. Yeah. Celsius gives you 5% for ETH. Yeah. Cardano. So Cardano is so 50-50. Like, people either love Cardano or they hate Cardano. It's never really in between, man. It's never really in between. Let's pull on, let's get some, no, we'll keep it like this, actually, for now. And we stay KCS. All right, let's do a poll. We're gonna do, let's do, will BTC, let's see, will BTC, I'm gonna do the close here. Close above or below 39K on the daily. So we got 25 minutes to the close. So the question is, will BTC close above or below 39K in the daily? I'm gonna put that poll up there. Get your votes in. Get your votes in. We'll see who's right in the next 25 minutes here. I think that we're gonna close. I'll let you guys vote first, so it's not biased. Yeah, so it's not biased here. It'll close above 40K in the next 25 minutes. That's gonna be tough. Pump $1,000 in the next 25 minutes. Could. We've seen crazier things before. I just want to see it close above 38.5. That's really the level I'm watching for here. It's 38.5. All right, let's go to the macro real quick. Do our macro stuff while we wait. Total market cap. Guys, we're back above our EMA ribbon. Come on.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
And on the total market cap, we know we're looking at this possible falling wedge as well. Falling wedge breakout. We know what Bitcoin did on its falling wedge breakout. What did Bitcoin do? Went up and hit its target perfectly. Total 2 market cap is now broken out. Back above its daily EMA ribbon for the first time since May 15th, month and a half, right? Our measure move is all the way up here. That's our measure move out of this. What is the percentage gains of this? So if this does play out the way we think, that's almost a 25% gain for the whole crypto market cap. If that does play out, which obviously a big proponent of that is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin could have a big move to the upside here, and also altcoins as well. But that looks super bullish. And then the total 2 market cap, we already know we broke out a couple days ago. Kind of a little bit slower moving on the total 2. Not back above our daily EMA ribbon there just yet. But we still did break out, kind of just choppy here on this breakout, but same type of thing. We broke to the upside out of this falling wedge. You still expect your move to be all the way up here at 1.46 trillion. I think we're just kind of waiting on Bitcoin to confirm some of these true breakouts, right? I think if we break it back above 41,000, 42,000, I think we're really going to see altcoins move. And measure move out of this is 90% gains for altcoins if that does happen, like we think it's going to happen. So we'll watch out for that too, but total 2 still looking super, super good. And then Fear and Greed Index, we'll look at this. This will update shortly here in the next 23 minutes, but it's at a 32. We closed yesterday at 32. We'll see it when the next one comes out, but still not looking too shabby. Not looking too shabby at all as we start to maybe climb this back up. We know typically when we're clustered like this at the bottom, tends to be a macro bottom. So we'll see if this plays out again, right? Last one we had was in March. We'll see if we get the same thing on the Fear and Greed Index. Bitcoin dominance breaking out right now. Guys, we talk about this. If this breaks out, I mean, in theory, right? In theory from this, I mean, you probably would see let's just do it just for fun. Like I said, it is an index. I'm not sure if it'll play out exactly like this, but in theory, I mean, you would see a move up to 56% in the dominance, which if you look left, actually makes a lot of sense, because that matches up almost perfectly with this previous, not perfectly, but from this previous support you had back here, back in September of 2020. So definitely could be seeing a pretty decent move there for Bitcoin against altcoins. Not going to say and sell all your altcoins for Bitcoin. It's just my eyes, said Sarush. Not going to say it's necessarily a guarantee that this happens, but still pretty bullish there for the so-called market cap dominance of daddy Bitcoin. Actually, I can't call it daddy Bitcoin because that just, no. I mean, mommy Bitcoin. mommy Bitcoin for my own good. We talked about the DXY, right? We talked about this morning. We have broken down from our wedge on the DXY. Super bullish for crypto. So not only did we break down from the rising wedge, we also broke this previous resistance. We didn't hold it as support. We've now broke straight back through it. So in theory, we should come back down here and test 91.5 on the US dollar index, which should be good for crypto, at least for the next couple days to weeks. We'll see if this continues to last, but still pretty good. And then the stock market, okay, trying to bounce here. So a lot of people were scared about this dump. It looks very just much like this dump here, where we just tested our previous highs and continued up. That's what it looks like the stock market's doing, just retesting this previous highs, confirming as support, continues up, which would also be good for crypto. A lot of people calling a stock market crash right now. I don't know if that really happens, man. I mean, like I said, people have been calling that for forever now, dude. Forever. Literally forever. All right, let's see what this poll is before we get too biased here, because we're coming up on it. I said, will Bitcoin close above or below 39K on the daily? We got 20 minutes until that happens. 67% of people voted above, and 33% of people voted below. So majority of people think we're going to close above 39K, which is interesting because we're below it right now. So I think people are just uber bullish right now. Uber bullish. What I think would make a lot of sense here is if we actually do close this red candle red, right? Just to kind of show that we came back down and back tested this level. And then when we open the new daily, that's when we start get that next impulse to the upside. I wouldn't be surprised if that's what we see, personally. So if I had to say it, I would probably say we close below it. Don't have to, right? We don't have to. I think that's what would make the most sense there. Yeah, Greg, who knows? No one really knows about the stock market, man. I mean, people were predicting that for years and just keeps going up. The minority are usually right. That's definitely true too. That's definitely true. All right, so we did. I didn't really have much news to go over. We'll do that real quick before the close. Kind of busted because I feel like we're going to get some price action here during the end of the stream. I just have that feeling. I don't know why. Just one thing. Obviously, Senator Warren. Everyone, do this to Senator Warren. All right. I don't think that worked. Oh, whoops.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
Everyone put Senator Warren down to zero. She said, outlined her concerns about the cryptocurrency market in a letter addressed to Janet Yellen that was obtained by the CNBC. This is what she said. As the demand for cryptocurrencies continue to grow and these assets become more embedded in our financial system, consumers, the environment, and our financial system are undergoing growing threats. Growing threats. All she wants to talk about is the damn environmental concerns of Bitcoin. And there was one other thing she particularly mentioned here. Which she had particularly mentioned here. Ensure the safety and stability of our financial system. Like, what does that even mean, dude? I feel like they just make up stuff. Just to make up stuff. I can't see what else she said. Hold on. She said, oh, she actually mentioned Dogecoin here. She said, in June, she described digital assets like Doge as a fourth-rate alternative to real currency, and urged the Senate Banking Committee to consider drafting more stringent regulations. So she's kind of going against the grain here and going against the meme coins, saying that crypto is bad for I guess the financial system because of meme coins popping off, which I guess kind of makes some sense, right? We've talked about that before, but freaking ridiculous, dude. Freaking ridiculous. I can't even talk about that stuff. It makes me so angry. Can't wait to light a fire with fiat. Yeah, it's facts. That my worst thing about when people complain about that stuff, especially the government, is how you can do so much illegal things with crypto. Don't people use cash to do illegal things? Like, what's the difference in that stance? What's the difference between cash and cryptocurrency, right? People use cash to do that stuff all the time. So that argument makes literally no sense. I hate when people say, oh, crypto is used for money laundering. So is cash.
You have more for
So is freaking cash, bro. Jordan, please help me understand how a crash in the stock market makes crypto crash. If you take money from stocks, you have more for crypto future divergence. If you take money from stocks and have more for crypto, future divergence. Because it got Kane. So if the stock market crashes, right, that's gonna make people want to escape to cash, right? Because when the stock market crashes, that causes a lot of anxiety in the whole investment industry, right? So people aren't going to want to be investments when there's a slight, I guess, an unknown in investments. So that's why when the stock market goes down, crypto usually goes down too, because people want to fled to cash, right? Cash is the safe haven asset, or at least people think cash is the safe haven asset, when over time that's been proven wrong. But still, people think short term, right? If the stock market crashes, everyone goes to cash. Look what happened in the last March crash, right? Stock market crashed, crypto crashed, everyone went into cash, and then what happened? We rebounded in literally a couple months. So I think people might have realized that, and that's why I don't think we're going to see a crash, because people realize that if we do see a big crash, right, then it's just going to get bought up exactly like it did last year. It doesn't make sense to panic sell. So we'll see. So, cash is crash. Elmar said, I feel a rant coming. It's coming, man.
Rant alert.
I forgot to press my rant alert about cash versus cryptocurrency. Mini pump starting now. I think it's going to start. All right, so we're above 39,000. So you guys might be right. We're right at 39,000. It's going to be interesting to see where we close, to see who's right on that last poll we did. All right. Yeah, so that's really that, guys. Let's keep spamming up those likes, though. Spam them up. 2,300 people in here. We got 700 likes. Let's get up there. Let's get those up there. Shall we? Abba Hub said Warren is ultra progressive and for money printing. Crypto threatens that philosophy. Yeah, I mean she's kind of con crypto and pro money printing. So that definitely makes sense, Abba. Definitely makes sense, man. Unfortunately, dude. It's the unfortunate fact here.
Warren is ultra progressive for money printing. Still threatens that philosophy.
Yep. Truth is that we should allow these activities to happen and realize that if we want to track them, can't do it when printed on blockchain, can't track with cash. That's true. That's true. That's true. Because you can still track the transactions on blockchain. That's definitely very true, man. Can't argue that. Yo, bro, this is beautiful. Slow and steady. So if it pulls back to 40K, there won't be as many sellers back here and won't go down to 36K again. Yes. Yes, this is what we want. We're building support here, which is really good. It would have been bad.
Beautiful. Heavy. Packet. There won't be any sellers back. Won't go.
Yeah, it would have been bad, dude, if we went straight up here. We just went straight up. We didn't consolidate. Because then if we came back down, we would have no support, right? It would be. But right now, we're building a decent base of support, at least for the time being, right? Decent base of support here. So slow and steady wins the race. It looks like Bitcoin kind of just keeps doing the same thing if we really look here, all right? It kind of, let me zoom this up. So we make a big pump, we consolidate, cool off the RSI, go again, right? Consolidate, cool off the RSI, go again. Consolidate, cool off the RSI. Let's see if we go again. So it seems like what Bitcoin's trying to do right now, just slow and steady wins the race here. Stairway up, I guess, elevator down, stairway up, I guess you could call it. I guess it's kind of the opposite right now. It's more like elevator up, stairway down, but you get the point. I don't want to see a blow off top right now. Definitely not. Definitely no blow off top. Doge. The Doge is, where's all the Doges? Is there any Doges in the chat still? I don't know if there's any Doges left. All right, let's see. Let me see if there's any super chats that I missed that people want to look at some coins here. I think someone wanted to look at something. Hold on. See what it was. Doji, Ethereum. Oh, James want to look at Kava. Let's look at Kava for James in the chat here. And then we will... I think it should be about time to watch Bitcoin on this daily close. Kava looks good. So Kava broke the downwards resistance and now is going off, man. The daily's getting a little overbought on it, so you might need to cool off a little bit. To the moon. Maybe.
Diamond pattern. Possible. You see, drop the price to.
Damn.
Thoughts?
We'll find out, man. I haven't looked into the regulatory stuff today, but I'll definitely check that out. I mean, we can see down here, man. 1, 2, 3 resistances. You broke out to the upside. I think right now you're struggling with this previous high you had right here back in June, June 3rd to be exact. You wicked up to it. Let's see if you break that. Clearly, you look up. I mean, your next resistance is here, but like I said, daily's a little bit getting up there. 4 hour. You got some room to run, right? So you still could make another room to run here if you really wanted to. 1 hour. What is this, man? 1 hour looks like actually kind of a nice little cup and handle too, if it really wants to break out. Right, little cup, little handle. Gotta break this neckline though. Break this neckline, could have another move to the upside. So it looks like it wants to continue up on the shorter term time frames, which if you break this resistance on the shorter term time frames, right, 696 should be coming next in theory. Like the EMA ribbon, clearly above your daily EMA ribbon, not even close. You broke it a long time ago, so looking really good to me. Looking really super juicy to me on Kava. 39.50 for BTC.
I heard Bob is a huge Warren fan.
I heard Bob is a huge Warren fan. Oh god. Should we get Bob's opinion on Elizabeth Warren? All right, Bob, want to come talk about Elizabeth Warren before the daily close? What do you mean you're watching around the blockchain again, bro? Just come on real quick. Let's talk about Elizabeth Warren. All right, cool. All right, guys, Bob's gonna talk about Elizabeth Warren. 1 second, he'll be right on in a second. Okay. What do you guys want? Why are you guys making fun of Elizabeth? She's awesome. She's awesome. She makes the best laws. And if she puts the only thing I won't say about Elizabeth, if she makes regulatory stuff, right? She will cause Dogecoin and Shiba to get destroyed. She wants to destroy meme coins. How will we stop this? How will we stop getting meme coins destroyed? Like, this is ridiculous. Like, we need to stop her right friggin' now. She's gonna destroy SHIB. She's gonna destroy SHIB. I gotta go. I gotta figure out how to stop this, guys. I'll be back. I'm gonna go troll her YouTube channel.
Can you read? Check on LPT Live.
What's up, guys?
Thanks.
What's going on? He turned into the Joker. All right, there we go. Bob wanted to let you know his thoughts on Elizabeth Warren. Basically what he was saying, he likes her laws, but she's going to destroy meme coins. So he's kind of 50-50 on old little Miss Warren there. Bob, can we go on a date? I don't think he wants to go on a date. I don't think he wants to go on a date. Let me get the my helmet back on.
I
And we can. All right, I'm getting the laser eyes on for this daily close, guys. 39,200 right now for BTC. Will we pump to the moon? Look at these laser eyes, man. Look at these laser eyes. Aren't they beautiful? Aren't they beautiful? What's up, Drew? What's up, Jimmy? What's up, Algo? You're a G member? Absolutely, dude. What's up, Bobby? Thanks for becoming a member, man. And also, Grow Ducius. I'm not sure if I say your name right. I'm going to try to say this correctly. Grow Ducius Raish. Thanks for becoming a member, man. I don't know if I said that right either, dude. But I try my best. All right, BTC rising 39,250 as we speak right now for BTC. Let's get the music ready, boys. Let's get the music ready in the chat. All right, if you're a bull, spam those bulls in the chat. And no, I'm not saying what I think I'm saying. Spam those bulls in the chat. Let's go, baby. Missed the pump? Nope, we're not missing the pump. We're not missing the pump. We got to break this high. Guys, if we break this high, 39,000, we got to break 39,400. And then I will throw on the music and we're good to go. 5 minutes until the daily close. This is exciting. This is exciting. Let's go right now. Spam those bulls in the chat, boys. And girls, I should say. Always got to include the chicks, just the way I talk. Let's go. Sherry said, can you look at Sol? Yeah, we'll take a look at Sol in a second, Sherry. Can you revisit ADA? We can do that. And Quants.
Market link in now.
Oh, IR is about to put his market order in. IR, you better be pumping the price, bro. But yeah, if we break 39,400, I will throw on the music. But we got to do that. I think we're going to do it, guys. I think we're going to do it in the next 4 minutes. I think we're going to have the daily close, and then we're going to get this pump to the upside. I feel it in my Gymborees. I've been saying it the whole stream here. The Gymborees are ready to go. All right, guys, no more bulls, no more bulls, no more bulls. That's enough bulls, all right? Appreciate you guys putting the bulls in the chat, though. Let's let's show it the bulls, please. 2 minutes. We got to break 340, guys. 340. No more bulls, guys. No more bulls. Come on. We need Streamlabs. Is Chris back yet? Yeah, Chris will be back shortly. No. You guys are killing me right now. You guys are killing me. Don't know. You want to pump it? Come on. 340. Let's get it.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
There it is. Let's go. we came back below it, but still, we hit 39,340. Let's friggin' go. 2 minutes until the close. 2 minutes until the close, everyone. Let's friggin' go. The fireworks really nice. I'm blurry. Hold on, I gotta fix it. I think it's because it gets so hot in here that it like fogs up. I don't know. I don't know why that happens. Might just be the Snapchat thing. Let's friggin' go, everyone. I just signed into the pump music. That's what I'm talking about. I spaced out and then the music came back on. Well, if you were sleeping, you're now awake. You're now friggin' awake. Let's go. Man, I have too much fun on here. I really do. I really do. You guys make my day in the chat. You really do. 39,340. Had to pump the jam. I had to. All right. Should we do, if we break 39,500, should we do it again? Let's wait to the close, guys. I got to do it. Let's see what we do in this last minute. If we start pumping on the close, I will spam the music. Okay, spam it. Like we never spammed it before. What's up, Alan? Love your channel, bro. Thank you, dude. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for hanging out. Wouldn't be as fun with all you guys. You guys make it fun for me. So thank you guys again. All right, here we go. 1 minute. 1 minute until the close. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Ecoms. Best boss. I am the best boss in the world. I still don't know what that means. I think it's because I'm the best boss at McDonald's. Because that's where I've had to work for the last 2 months. All right, here we go. Daily close. It's the daily close. I repeat, it's the daily close. Actually, it didn't play. Why didn't it play? I don't know why it didn't play. We got the new candle. Let's see what we do here. We closed. I don't know why that didn't play, guys, but just ignore it anyways. 39,400. It's the daily close. I repeat, it's the daily close. I'll do it myself, just because it didn't play. Thunder, here you said 1 minute until the daily close, Red and Qui. Let's see what we're looking at here. Is Bitcoin... A lot of people are looking at this friggin' cup and handle, man. I don't know if I love it there. I just sent a super chat a few minutes ago, but I don't think you noticed the super chat. Yeah, Sky, I'll take a look at it in a second, man. BTC's pumping. So if BTC's pumping, I will get to the super chats once BTC is done pumping, okay? So just give me 2 seconds. BTC's pumping right now, so that's what's more important right now.
Sent a super chat a few minutes ago. You noticed the super chat. Into LPT. Insane.
Yeah. Guys, if I haven't got to your super chat yet, I will get to it. We're just watching BTC at this current moment because BTC is pumping. Let's go. Hit the likes. Thanks for the shout out, Eric in the chat, man. And the perfect freak, thank you for the shout out. Got the glue ready to get your face stuck for 10 seconds like 2 days ago. It's even better with the eyes, isn't it? Let's see if it happens. What's up, Boots? All right, come on. BTC. Make your moves. All right, there we go. 39,400 again. Make your moves, buddy. Come on, bud. Let's get it up. Fear and greed at a 50. All right, let's look at the fear and greed index real quick. Let's see. Fear and greed is at a 50. First time we haven't been in fear. So people are getting a little more confident. Is that a good sign? I don't know. I don't know if that's a good sign right now, but fear and greed index is now at a 50, guys. So we're now neutral. First time we haven't been in fear since. Let's take a look. Wow, it's been a long time. Since we're talking May 12th, so a month and a half ago. First time we haven't been in fear since then. That's pretty cool. All right, we're going again, guys. Here we go. We're going again. I don't know how to stop it. We're coming back down. We're coming back down now. We're coming back down. I played it and we came right back down. Just in time to get up. Spam those balls. Oh, man. There we go. There we go. All right, Bitcoin's chilling. Let me look at some of the altcoins, guys. If Bitcoin starts going back up, make sure you guys let me know in the chat, okay? If Bitcoin starts pumping again, if we get back above 39,400, let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat.
All dumping on.
It's all dumping on the 1 minute. We'll see. See what happens, right? Bitcoin likes to kind of go up, kind of go down a little bit. Go up, go down a little bit.
They're coming out of the house yet. Last time we came about, we went to the moon. Exactly.
Let's friggin' go. Proud of the Gajin channel. However you say it. I don't even know how to say that. All right, let me look at some of these altcoins while Bitcoin is cooling off right now. Let me know if Bitcoin starts pumping again, guys. I don't think it's done for tonight. I really don't. I don't see the sentiment how it's done. So if it starts pumping, let me know. I think it's about to go again right now as we speak. I don't know. I just have that feeling right now. I got that feeling in my gymborees. Soul, LVT, Harmony 1. All right, there we go. Chris 1 and Harmony 1. So let me look at Harmony 1 real quick for my guy here. Harmony 1. Harmony 1. Such a good coin. Yes, it is. All right, let me get rid of this. Look at where we are in Harmony 1. Yeah, broken out of this as well.
Our BTC higher high.
4 hour BTC higher high. Nice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches. And we came up, came back down to retest. Now you're trying to bounce off of it again. So we'll see what happens there for Harmony 1. But in theory, right, if you break this high, I mean, you should, in theory, go back up to about 9.2 cents, right? So we'll see what happens there for Harmony, but Harmony looks really good. 4 hour looks good. Looks like just a classic retest. Came back down, retested. Now you're going to go back up. What you don't want to do here is you don't want to round out and come back down. You could have a little bit of a head and shoulders pattern. But if Bitcoin stays bullish, this probably won't play out like that. So watch Bitcoin on this, but I think, as long as Bitcoin keeps going back up, I think, come back up to this 9.2 cents level is your next range there. Where's your 4 hour EMA ribbon? Look at that bounce off the 4 hour EMA ribbon. Classic, man. Got back above it, bounced. You obviously want to hold that right at your support. You hold it, you're going up. So Harmony looks really good from what I'm seeing personally. Stumble. Stumble said sell. Wait, buy, sell, buy, sell. Arg. I give up. Oh, I'm blurry again. I'm blurry. If I was blurry, I would die. If I was blurry, I would die. Link analysis request? We certainly could look at link analysis request. Why wouldn't we? That's what we do here. We look at link. Link the slink. My face is jacked up. There we go.
I give up.
Just hodl, guys. It's so true. Don't try to top the tops and bottoms. Just hodl, please. But I think the more and more time goes by, I think a lot of people that are in this chat right now watching the stream have been here at least since like March, April, June, May, somewhere around that area. So I think a lot of people are coming more accustomed to the market, and probably a lot of people are just realizing that it's better to just buy the dips, hold, and kind of go from there. If you try to top the bottoms, Bitcoin doesn't let you try to top the tops and bottoms. It really just doesn't. It really doesn't. It's going to do what it wants to do. It really is. Sky wants to look at LPT. Let's look at LPT while we wait for Bitcoin to move. Let's go to the daily on this guy. Daily looks fine. Testing this previous high here. Looks classic. Classic. You just break this, I mean, it just in theory on the daily, I mean, you could see you don't have much resistance. You pretty much went like kind of just straight down here for the most part. You might have some next resistance is probably at 17, 18 for LPT. Because if you look on the daily, you just came straight down here. Like you didn't really consolidate. You came up, you're right at this resistance, you pop it, boom, to the upside. Should be looking really good. Hourly looks like a cup and handle. See, came back down, whoop, Whoop. You break this. 17, 18 is coming up next. It's pretty textbook there. Pretty textbook. Not enough data for some of these moving averages, so I can't really look at much there. So it's kind of, at least on this chart. 39, 136 right now for BTC. Getting a little bit of a pullback. What do you think we do, guys? You think we already came back down and tested this area, so I'm curious what Bitcoin's going to do here next. Could be a little bit of interesting. Safe moon is garbage. Yeah, no safe moon, no meme coins, guys. No meme coins. If you have to, so the way I think about it is, if you have to worry about if something's a meme coin, it's probably a meme coin, right? And if you are a huge, you know, so to speak, safe moon fan, right? I'm sorry, but safe moon's a meme coin. Any out of the dog coins are meme coins, right? Like I said, there's plenty of channels that like to talk about meme coins. So recommend go watching Final Stand if you want to talk about meme coins. Bobby said late today, can you revisit ADA? Yeah, real quick, man. We already went over ADA though. ADA on the hourly, look at this. Perfect symmetrical triangle. Bottom, top, top, bottom, top, bottom, top again. You're probably gonna consolidate until you get break out of this, right? This should break out technically be by 11 o'clock tomorrow. You know, the trend is your friend to the end. You're kind of in an uptrend here. So in theory, this should break to the upside, in theory. And I think the measure move target was like 140 or something. So that's what we're watching here for Cardano. But overall, right, bullish structure, right? You broke out, came back down and back tested the previous resistance. And now you're trying to push back up higher. So that's what we're seeing from a lot of coins right now. All right, 39,250 for BTC. We chilling at the moment. I'm blue, if I was green, I would die. If I was green, I would... What? That's a great song. That's a great song. I was jamming to that today for some reason. You ever just play a song and you're like, what the heck am I listening to right now? That's what I had that moment today in the car. I turned up my car. Don't know what radio station I was on, but that was playing and I turned it up and was jamming out. Jamming out. Don't ask me why.
I am out. Great stream this evening.
Rodney, you're out? Don't miss the pump, man. Rodney, if you miss the pump, I'm going to be very disappointed in you. But have a good evening, man. Appreciate you chilling, as always. Zero wanted Quant. We'll check out Quant real quick, guys. Check out Quant real quick. Not going to spend numerous amounts of time on altcoins. Just with, obviously, Bitcoin popping off right now. So for Quant... So for quants, let's see, 1 hour. Not really much going on here. It's kind of just like, I'm just like, Could be forming a, you know, very, very early stages of possible cup and handle pattern. Very, very early stages. I don't know. Not really any type of pattern necessarily. Just kind of hanging out. But for quant, I mean, you look at it, it's already above its previous highs. It's right at its previous highs, so it's like kind of in price discovery at the moment, or trying to be in price discovery. That's your previous highs. You break above that, you should be looking good. If we want to look at our next targets, though, if we do break that level, so from top to bottom, let's take our fibs here. Look at this retest. So you came back down, wicked right to your golden pocket, and are trying to bounce right at your golden pocket. And if we look at our next targets upwards, our 1.618 Fibonacci would be about 120. Would be your next target if you were to break your highs at, you know, right around $100 there. So good little retest of the 0.618. We'll see if you go up to one. Go to the next target there. VeChain. Bitcoin looks like a gigantic inverse head and shoulders. Yeah, it does. Sherry said, can you look at Sol? Sherry, I will look at anything for you, okay? All you got to do is ask. Solana. What were we looking at for Solana last time? Interesting. Don't know what we were looking at last time, honestly. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. So we keep coming down to test the support. Generally speaking. Came back down to it like once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. We held it every single time pretty nicely there. We got a downwards, some downwards resistance line. It's not perfect, but let me take from top down here. Probably a resistance line. You're going to get squeezed between this general support. It's not perfect, but this general support and this general resistance, you're probably going to see some type of move by middle of August. If Bitcoin keeps pumping, though, Solana's going to pump beforehand. But Solana's kind of been a little weak the last couple of days, right? Little weak. You've had 4 red daily candles in a row, albeit very, very small. Bitcoin's been pumping. Solana's been kind of stagnant. So maybe we need to wait for some type of altcoin rally. But right now, it's just been kind of stagnant. Not really much there on the daily. 4 hour, not really much either. You're just kind of just chilling in the range. Daily EMA ribbon, you're getting rejected on that. And moving averages, not really much going on. So you can't get back, you can't close back above your 20 EMA at the moment. So that's why you're really struggling right now. Blue, if I was green, I would die. If I was green, I would die. It's all dumping on the 1 minute. Could be. 39,200 back up there. Kind of just chilling at right around that range right now. 4 hour Bitcoin higher high. Let's see on the 4 hour. Yep. So we made a higher high in the 4 hour. That's pretty bullish there. That's definitely pretty bullish. And the daily, what we talked about, we got our first daily close for BTC above the 20 EMA. Sorry, the 200 daily exponential moving average for the first time since May 18th. We know that was our big resistance. Once right here. Once right here. Look at the close. Boom. Above the 20 EMA. I think that deserves, let's go. Anyways.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Helium? Yeah, definitely steep up. We'll look at helium for you, my brother. But yeah, we close back above that. Perfect. Volume supports the sort of breakout there. Also perfect. We'll see if we get continuation here. We'll see if maybe we come back down and back test it. We might not have to do that right now necessarily. Looks like, yeah, we're still just kind of chilling at 39,260. But, you know, we could go a little bit higher, then maybe come back down and back test it as support, something along the lines of this. Came back up, back test it, and then continue up. No, this is not what you think it is. But that could be our next move there for Ethereum, or for Bitcoin. My bad.
I like to PT. I just discovered I like easily.
Beat. You like to say BTT. I just discovered I like to say quant, but in a very nasal way. Quant, 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 quant. I don't know how to say it nasally, man. Like, how do you say something nasally? I'd have to hear someone do it for me to know. Stumbledore said sell, wait. They already make my daily link analysis request. IR, I got you, man. Chainlink. We'll do Chainlink real quick. Looks like Bitcoin's still chilling at 39,225. I don't think we're done for tonight, guys. I really don't. So, if y'all want to leave, go ahead. I'm just kidding. There's like no one leaving right now, because I think everyone is sort of predicting or expecting some type of move right now. I think everyone's kind of has that feeling in their gymborees that Bitcoin's going to have a big move tonight. I still am. It's getting a little later here. I still am under that assumption. Chainlink looks good. So we talked about our giant, big rising channel for Chainlink, the whole history of Chainlink. Bounced off the bottom. It looks like Chainlink, what it could do here. You got your left shoulder, you got your head. If you come back down a little bit lower, bounce off your 20 EMA. Something along these lines. Bounce off of it. Could have a nice inverse head and shoulders. Looks like you're getting the rejection right now. Maybe that's what happens there. Or Chainlink could just break straight back above this, especially if Bitcoin stays bullish here. Definitely could do that, but it looks like altcoins are sort of kind of just relaxing at the moment. So if this does happen, probably look for a move for Chainlink. Just looking at basic support and resistance, I think a move up to like 2150 makes the most sense. Next local high, kind of had a wick high there. Looking left, not really much in that general area, but that's probably your next resistance to look at for Chainlink at the moment. Daily EMA ribbon, making your way through it, making your way downtown. So, good song too, by the way. And also back above, it looks like is that your 50? Yeah, your 50-day moving average, which I was looking at for Chainlink too. Looks like you've gotten back over that.
Can you take a look?
Trying to confirm it as support. So Chainlink looks good too, man. Chainlink looks good too. If you get a little bit of pullback, don't be surprised. Maybe come back down to 1650 and then round out and pump. Well, we shall see. Oh, yeah. Rodney said, I'm out. Cover some targets for VeChain. Everyone wants altcoins today because the altcoin rally is about to start, I think. You know, usually Bitcoin moves first and then the altcoins follow. And I think that's what you're going to see here. Usually the case. VeChain. Let me get rid of some of this stuff here. For the old VeChain. Got too much stuff going on here. All right. So we came up and tested that resistance that we had drawn there, 8.7 cents, it looks like today. And starting a little bit of a pullback right now. That's fine, right? Bitcoin's pulling slightly back here. That's kind of our new daily open. So not surprising. But VeChain, if we come back down to test, 7.8 cents, confirm it as support. We haven't really done that yet, right? Previous high. We come back down, test that area. You definitely see that. You could have a little bit of a cup and handle action. If you do that, right, where you have the cup, come back down, handle, and you pump it to the upside. If you break the neckline at 8.7 cents, could have a nice cup and handle to the move to the upside. Obviously, that's speculation at this point. We have to wait for that little bit of a pullback first. Actually, if you just look at the 4 hour, it already kind of has that general look, right? Not perfect, but I mean, general rounded out bottom, came back down, tested the 20 EMA like I like to do, and now you just got to break that resistance. And it already actually could maybe have a cup and handle sort of formation there. Very, very ugly cup and handle formation, but nonetheless, it still could be there. 1 hour. Dude, on the 1 hour, it actually looks like it's kind of ugly, but if you break this out, you could have a little mini inverse head and shoulders. Look at this little mini one. It's kind of cute, actually. If you like dogs, you might like this. I don't know why. I just have that correlation right now. Left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. Little mini inverse head and shoulders could break out to the upside too. Looks like you're getting some resistance on this general level, but still, if you like dogs, you might like that mini little inverse head and shoulders there. So watch that for that, guys. Seriously. You might like it. You might like it too. And you also got upward support that could make maybe some sort of triangle too. So a lot of things going on with VeChain there. And if you break that, let's look at our next target for VeChain on the upside. I think we already have it drawn there. Yep, about 9.5 cents, your previous high from June 29th. So that looks good. All right, 39,300 for BTC. We're making our way back up, making our way back up, up, up. I have the best vocals in the crypto game. No one can sing better than me. In the crypto game. Just kidding. I actually tried to become a little bit better on singing and it just didn't work out. It really didn't. Tom Brady is hosting the stream. Facts. Tom Brady is hosting the stream. Jordan, do you also trade with leverage? No, I don't do leverage trading. I don't do leverage trading, man. I don't believe in leverage trading. Obviously, it's no problem leverage trading. Just always make sure, I think you have a hodl stack and a trade stack, right? Usually split it up in two. BTT. Can you take a look at under? You can do that too. Helium. Helium. I don't even know what that is, dude. We'll do helium real quick. I gotta go on to some of these next ones, and then we'll jump on over. Looks like helium, general downward resistance, one fake out to the upside.
XRP, should I close my...
XRP, should you close your long? I don't know, man. We'll take a look at it in a second. I think, dude, as long as Bitcoin continues up, the altcoins are going to continue up too. So it comes down to, do you think Bitcoin's going to continue up or not? Right? So we can look at the XRP chart. Now, it might give you a better entry looking at the altcoin chart. So we'll look at it in a second. But yeah, I mean, up, down, up, fake out, down, up, down, up. Are you going to break out of this falling wedge? If you do, the target technically is the top of the wedge at about 21, 22, right? That's the target for a falling wedge. Is right at the top. Boom, right there, right? So are you going to do that on the daily? Let's look at the EMA ribbon, still in it. That's kind of been your resistance since back here, right? All throughout this whole area. Couldn't break that EMA ribbon. So you're in it right now, but you just got to break that general resistance, and then that's the ticket to the game. Breakout target is up there. 4-hour chart. Anything really brewing here? Not really. Not really just yet. Let me actually get rid of this. Just a second. There we go. Check this out. See if we got anything brewing here. Not really anything on the 4-hour here. You're just waiting for a breakout, honestly, right now. That's really what you're coming down to on BTT. Bitcoin slowly making its way back up here. Let's freaking go. Let's get a hype in the chat.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Can you take a look at under? I don't even know what under is. Can you look under there? Underwear. That was always the dumbest joke in school. Maybe you guys ever tell that joke in school as a kid? Can you look, Jordan, all of our friends, Jordan, can you look under there? Underwear. So stupid. Looking back at a lot of like the jokes as kids, they were so bad. XRP, should I close my long from 61 cents? XRP. Long from 61 cents. So you long from right about here. I don't know. XRP doesn't look too bad right now to me. I think watch for this breakout, right? I think it's coiling up for a move here. You can see has a nice little triangle forming here. I'd watch for the breakout. If this breaks up, I wouldn't close your long. It's probably going to make a newer high. If this breaks down, I know you probably don't want to wait. You probably want to know now. But if this breaks down, then I mean, you're probably going to go down to your buy-in point. So watch for this little breakout here. This thing's got to break out soon. It's probably going to correlate with Bitcoin's next move, like I said. But watch this breakout by tomorrow morning as well. Looks like a lot of altcoins want to break out by 10, 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. So we shall see for XRP. XRP's next target, if this does break out, let's just take a look just for fun. If this does break to the upside, would be approximately about 72 cents. I think we have a 73 cent resistance there too. Yep, local high there at 73 cents. So right about that local high. That's probably where you go up to if you do break out to the upside. Do 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 do. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-dum. Let's go. Major drop in dominance coming. You think so? Bitcoin dominance dropping a little bit. I don't know. I don't think it's at that point where the dominance is going to drop just yet. I could be wrong, right? I hope altcoins make their run here. I'm fine with Bitcoin pumping, but altcoins pumping do a little bit more for me personally. Look at AXS. AXS has just been pumping, man. It's not really much to look at AXS for. It's just been pumping like a madman, you know? Look at it real quick, but dude, AXS is a complete sort of price discovery, right? I mean, there's not much to look out for. It's about to make all-time highs again, it looks like. I think the next target we looked at was, so you went up to your 2.618 today. You bounced right off your 2.618. Your next target is the 3.618. And that's about 67, 62, right? That's your next target there. So we'll see if it hits it. I don't know. You have a little bit of bearish divergence on the daily. You still got technically a little bit room to run, but you are at 80 on the daily RSI. So just be a little bit careful there. You also have bearish divergence on the 4-hour chart as well. Oh, I forgot someone's super chat. John, I will go check your super chat, man. Holy crap. I never do that. What the heck's wrong with me? Something's wrong with me today. Higher high.
You're awesome.
Abraham, that makes my day, man. Thank you, dude. That makes my day. Thank you for saying I'm awesome. You're awesome too. All you guys are awesome. We're all awesome. We're all in crypto. What could be better? But yeah, I mean, dude, lower highs, higher highs on the price action, and you have divergence basically on the RSI and the 4 hour. Be careful with that. Same thing on the daily. You can see very, very slight, but you have the same sort of thing here, right? Lower highs on the daily, higher highs on the price action too. So this thing just keeps going though. Like we've been talking about this for a couple of days now. It just, I don't know. It just keeps going. And so you really can't do technical analysis on this because it's not behaving like a normal asset. Bitcoin getting a little dumpy dump right now. Little bit of a dumpy dump. Are we worried? I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Bitcoin is coming back down to retest some of these areas. No, but in all seriousness, I think we trying to see someone. I saw someone in the chat say possibility of a kind of a inverse head and shoulders, right? Where this actually the left shoulder ahead, and we come back down and we bounce off this. Maybe we have a big sort of inverse head and shoulders sort of price action there. Could definitely be a possibility. Or, and Bitcoin just kind of stays where it's at. I mean, it just dipped a little bit. Now it's getting bought right back up like cotton candy at a local damn fair. Look at the whale scooping it up right now. Look at him. I'm just going to keep doing this until it stops going up. Keeps going. We're doing this all the way up. This is so stupid. It keeps going up though. We're gonna keep doing this until it stops going up. And it looks like it stopped going up. We're running out of juice here. Running out of juice. Alright, we're out of juice. Whew. Alright. I can only do it a little bit. Damn. Damn. Pump it. We need the whale. Oh, I got you. You haven't looked at the whale in a while. Everyone say hi to the whale. It's good. Go whale. What's good? What's up, Jazz? I see you in the chat there. I'm just waving to the whale here. I'll also wave to Jazz. What's going on, Jazz? Hope you're doing well with your muscle cars. With your muscle cars, as we would say in Boston, your muscle cars. Algo knows how we would say muscle cars. The muscle cars, the cars. The Boston Red Sox. All right, so we just had a little bit of a dump and Bitcoin got bought right back up where it was before. So I'd say I'm not really worried right now. I mean, it's not really a big deal. Whale, worship the whales. Everyone worship the whales. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe as always. Quick shout out for that. Haven't done it for the stream. And if you guys haven't liked the stream, make sure you guys do it. Helps it get out to more people. And yeah, as always, it's definitely much appreciated, guys. Bitcoin going back up again, 39.2. Your laser eyes are too bright. All right, we're going back to the Moonboy helmet then. There we go. Going back to the Moonboy helmets. We'll bring out the laser eyes when we're getting super bullish, right? Super bullish here. Laser eyes have to go. They're gone. They're gone. I'll put the laser eyes on for a few minutes at a time. Not too long though. Oh, I forgot John's super chat again. Where's John here? Where's John? Oh, Jordy. Oh, you said Jordy. Well, I don't know if I like being called Jordy, John, but I guess I deserve it because I missed your super chat. If we hit 42,000, will that put us in the 50s with the little resistance fairly quick? So the way I look at it is if you're looking at the daily chart, if we break 42,000, we don't really have much resistance. In my opinion, just looking up, you could have some at like 45.
Love your dollar Luna is going strong.
So you could have something like here at like 45 or so, because you have some previous support once and twice at this general level. And I think after that, I don't think you have any till like 40, yeah, close to 48,000, somewhere up in this range. So I think if you break 42, I think around 45 is probably your next resistance, which could be a quick move in between there and your next resistance, because you don't really have anything in between there. That's what's exciting if we start going back up is, you know, we spend a good time up in those ranges, but at the same time, you know, until we get back up and into the 50,000s, there's just not a lot of support and resistance. Like we went straight up, straight down, straight up, and then when we got back in here, we went straight down. So in this whole area right here, you really got nothing. So it could be a quick move. Once you do break this red box, it could be a quick move. Really quick move. Pull that crystal ball out. I don't think it's time for that just yet. John said, sorry, buddy. I didn't know that you didn't like being called Jordy. It's very very sensitive. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I could try to play it off and be like,
Sorry, buddy. I didn't know you liked being called.
Yeah, I could try to play it off and, you know, try to sort of, you know, play it that it was a sensitive name, but it's really not. It's really not, man. Wait, someone said Ken's at the door? Bob's your uncle said Ken's. Ken, what's going on, man? What's going on, Ken? Dude, your Shiba Inus were pissing me off today. You gotta get them off my lawn, bro. You gotta get them off my lawn. Do you have any more sauces for us? No? But you told BitBoy that no, you told BitBoy that AMP was going to be used by Amazon. So you definitely have some sauces.
100K plus. GG.
Bro. All right, can you at least come on my stream and tell people you don't have any more sauces real quick? All right, guys, I'm going to show you guys BitBoy's sauces. It's Ken down the street. If you guys didn't know, you guys knew the stream. He tells us all the sauces about crypto. So I'm going to bring Ken on. Give me 1 sec. Ken, come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Ken, come on, let's go. Come on the stream. Do I really have to go on? Yes, you have to come on the stream, Ken. All right, fine. I don't even have anything to talk about, but I guess I will. Bro, what the heck is up with the hat? With the hat? My name's Ken. I got all the sauces. I actually have no sauces, right? So the last really sauces that I had, and I have really big insider information, was that AMP was going to be used by Amazon. I told BitBoy that, and it was just freaking ridiculous, bro. Like he was way too premature, and he had to tell everyone on YouTube. I told him not to tell anyone, and he told people, and he pumped up AMP. All right, and the other things that I told him was that what else did I tell him? I told him we were going to pump in the middle of July, and we started to pump. So I don't know if I want to tell him any more sauces anymore because because it's just friggin' ridiculous. He keeps ruining everything. So I'm only going to tell Jordan the sauces now. Maybe I'll tell Chris too, but I'll catch you guys later. I'll let you know if I have any more sauces. All right. Here's Jordan back. Jordan, come back on your stream, bro. Stop playing with my Shibas. Stop playing with my Shibas. You don't like Shibas. Stop playing with my Shibas. Come on, come back on the stream. Come back on the stream. Come on. What's going on? So Ken, like I said, guys, Ken doesn't have any sauces right now. He's completely out. He only tells us the sauces when he tells BitBoy the sources. So make sure you guys stay up. We'll stay updated with Ken as the day goes on. If we get any more sauces, we will let you know. Okay, this is exactly what we come for the channel for. We come for sauces. All right. Let me get my Actually, we'll keep it on my normal face right now. I'm feeling the backwards hat today. I don't know why. I'm feeling it today, though. Sometimes I like to do it. Sometimes I don't. It is what it is. Best Ken ever. Let's see. According to your charts, this is the shorting zone. I wouldn't short BTC right now, man. Do we need to bring out Job of the Short too? Does Job of the Short need to tell you what happens when you short BTC right now? Do we really need to bring up? I don't know if we should bring out Job of the Short. We just had Ken on the show. We gotta space people out because we can't have too many characters on the show at one time. Okay. Job of the Short doesn't want to come on the show right now, but I wouldn't short BTC if in all seriousness, I wouldn't short BTC. You know. The transitions kill me. Ken is an alien. Ken is sauce brain. Bro, with the hat, that was hilarious with the hat. The hat is what got me. Oh man. What happens if you win your bet, Jordan? Nothing happens. No one wanted to bet against me with the Dogecoin tattoo, man. So if Bitcoin doesn't hit all-time highs at the end of the year, I have to get a Dogecoin tattoo. If it does, no one has to do anything. I asked people if anyone wanted to take me on the bet, and no one wanted to take me on the damn bet. No one. So it is what it is. You know, if we do, we do. If we don't, we don't. So gotta fix my hair here. There we go. Look like Eminem. Look like damn Eminem. Hell no, I'm logging.
Jordan, can you take a look at Bitcoin?
Can you take a look at Bitcoin? James, are you trolling right now? We're on Bitcoin, bro. I think you're trolling right now. Could we actually be forming another cup? So a lot of people are looking at this as a cup and handle. Okay. You know, could we actually be something like this? Where we come down, we come back up, and then this could be the cup and handle. Could be something like that. We'll see if that plays out, but it definitely could be something to look forward to if that does play out. But, you know, maybe people thinking this was it. I don't know, the volume's still like, you guys can see the volume here. It's still tapering off, which means usually when it's still tapering off, you're still in some type of consolidation period, right? We haven't really got that volume breakout we wanted to see just yet. Could still come, right? We still could get it. This still could just be a back test of this level before we continue up, right? But we'll see. We'll see where we are in our fibs. Let's take our fibs from our top to our bottom. So we came down to our 236. Our 618 is down here at like 37,500. So maybe, I don't know, maybe I'm thinking if we can't crack 40K on this run, maybe we come back down here, something like this, down to our 618, and then come back up and test. Maybe. Bull flag on Bitcoin 15-minute broke out. Yeah, man. That's what we've been looking at. Same thing on the hourly. But yeah, it's on the 15-minute too. Little 15-minute bull flag. You could also call it a wedge. That was possibly something like this. This is what we're looking at before the stream is something like this that broke out too. Where you have the touches all here. And this was the breakout to the upside bot. We shall find out, man. That's the key.
You think PAR profitable are having partnership?
Metcast said, ever check 100K plus trades list? I never really do, Metcast, to be honest, man. Never really do. Carrie said, do you think HBAR will be more profitable than ADA? HBAR has a partnership with Google and less gas fees. Probably not. It still could because it has less market cap. So it still could just because it has more upside potential. Less money needs to be pumped into it to pump it. But, you know, at the same time, I still believe in ADA, right? I still believe in ADA. It has a lot of work to do.
Let's make the
But I still believe in ADA. Jordan, let's make the bet. You scared?
Nope. Nope.
I'm not scared of nothing, bro. Dude, I made the bet again. I'm so not scared that I made the bet against myself. Okay, no one's on the other side of the bet. I literally bet that Bitcoin will hit the all-time highs by the end of the year without anyone being on the other side of the bet. So take that for what you will. That's how confident I am. So if you want to join in on this, and if we lose Produce Beats, if you have to get a Dogecoin tattoo on your thigh, if we hit all-time highs by the end of this year, by all means, I'm already in the bet with myself. Okay, so do ta on Bitcoin dominance. We could do ta on Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, we did, man. I mean, I'm seeing a breakout of, you know, you still have this previous high here, so I guess technically you could draw it up like this, but you know, it's either you broke out, you know, and an ascending triangle breakout is always the top to the bottom, extrapolated at your breakout point, you know, would put you upwards somewhere up towards 50, right around 57%. I think you would go to your previous lows from back here. Or you could still be in it if you really want to count this wick here as the top. It looks like you're getting some rejection there too. I don't know. It depends how you. We'll probably have a better, clear picture tomorrow to see where we kind of close up the next day candle. But maybe you also could be in some rising wedge type formation too, where if you don't count the wick, you have one touch, two touches, and you could be coming up to test this again. So I guess we'll keep that just to see if that gives you some resistance. But you know, interesting. Very, very interesting time for Bitcoin dominance. So you're gonna get a tattoo if we don't? Yeah, I have to get a Dogecoin tattoo if we don't break all-time highs by the end of the year. And I'm being serious. I will do it. I will do it. It's happening. Okay. I don't think what's gonna happen though. I mean, I just don't. Yeah, if you guys want to join the Discord, Algo just posted it in the chat. If you guys want to join the Discord, go join over there. TNX for the IGDM, Jordan. Can you please check UMA? Yeah, no problem, Wes. I'll definitely get back to you soon, man. I've been working on other stuff, so as soon as I get to that portion, I will get back to you, my friend. But yeah, we can check UMA for sure. I think altcoins in general should be making some moves right now. Bitcoin 38,900. I mean, it's just going to keep kind of going up and down here. I'm not too worried about Bitcoin. I mean, we saw what happened yesterday. I mean, we pulled back. Everyone was freaking out. And then we just pumped right back up. So it is what it is. UMA. Let's see. A lot of wickage on the old UMA here, I should say. For our resistance, man, there's nothing really much. I hate when there's like nothing obvious. I mean, if you look at, there's not really a pattern, I would say, necessarily. One thing I would watch out for is, you know, this being a left shoulder, this being a head, and you're getting rejected at the same point as your left shoulder. So you don't want to round out here and break this neckline here. You break that neckline, if you round back out, could see a move back down here. Obviously, that's going to depend on what Bitcoin does, right? So if Bitcoin keeps pumping, look for a move back above 934. But there's not really much bullish there that I'm really looking for. Get a nice double bottom though. Nice double bottom there. Perfect, nice double bottom. So we'll see if they can flip the trend. You haven't made a higher high yet, so you want to make a higher high. But generally, looks like you're starting to round out. Hopefully, you need to make a higher high. Break this. Gotta get back up here. Break this. Break a higher high, and then you could start being super bullish. But there's not really any type of like bullish pattern right now that we can really say. If anything, could be a little bit bearish on the smaller time frames. Daily EMA ribbon, you've gotten rejected once, twice, 3 times, 4 times on it. Like I said, If Bitcoin starts pumping, though, UMA will be fine, just like all the other altcoins. Bitcoin's just kind of having its turn right now, and when Bitcoin cools off, altcoins will pump to the upside. I don't know why I'm doing that. I just thought it was a good idea. Produce the beats. Thank you for becoming a member, man. I'm going to hold you to that bet. You're getting a Dogecoin tattoo on your thigh if Bitcoin doesn't break. If Bitcoin does break all-time highs by the end of this year. I'm holding you to it, man. I'm holding you to it. Greg said, I have to admit, the community is a hoot laser eyes to McDonald's hats. Make me laugh. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Like I said, we have fun over here. We have fun. Get rid of ETH Classic. Probably not. Fidel said, Anchor to the moon. Let's check out Anchor. Anchor. See ya, Arcane. Have a good night, man. All right, Anchor looks pretty good. Anchor, you've broken back above your daily EMA ribbon. That's what I'm looking at for a lot of these coins. So not only did you break this downwards resistance, this teal line here on the daily, after a nice double bottom. Why are you delete? Thank you. I was like, trading views messing up there. Nice double bottom, broke that resistance. You were getting resistance on your daily EMA. You're now back above it. Now, can you hold it now? Can you hold it? Last time you were above this was all the way back up here in the middle of May. And you can see when you're above it, it generally acts as support on your way up. So now can we continue this bullish trend, right? Get back above it, stay above it, confirm it as support, and continue up. Then we can kind of start this general uptrend again, you know? So that's really good. We haven't been back above that in 3 months, which is slightly depressing when you think about it. But at the same time, we're starting to make some bullish action here. That's what I pretty much will say about that. I mean, you're going to be back above most of your moving averages on this. Yeah, back above all those moving averages as well. Look at our next target, because you broke this high. You already broke these highs pretty clearly. So if you go up, just logically, I mean, the next resistance logically, why did that trading view's bugging out right now, man? Why did it go to a horizontal ray? So if you go right here, next resistance in theory, like next major resistance should be 11.4 cents. You have maybe a couple in between there, but in theory, 11.4 cents should be your next big resistance. You got some room to run in the 4 hour. A little bit of bearish divergence on the 4 hour, but looks like it wants to continue up. You got room to run up too, so Anchor looks good too, man. I mean, these altcoins all look pretty good right now, considering obviously Bitcoin continuing up. So are we really surprised? Not really. Not friggin' really. Harry Rooster said, where are all these likes when we were dumping? People were hanging out on the beach when we were dumping, right? That's kind of the name of the game. Kind of the name of the game. Let's get a pump now. Can we get a pump at the end of the stream? 39,100 right now for BTC. We keep like dumping down to like 39, 38.9, coming back up. I don't know. Kind of what we're doing at the moment. Drew said that I have BNB at my number 4 holding. Drew, what's your top 3, man? I hope it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. Not to be biased or anything.
Look at super audio.
Yeah, Steven, we'll look at audio in a second. Real quick, let's go look at the gainers losers while we have time here, shall we? While we have time here. Whole market is should be up. Yeah, up 3%. Obviously the big caps doing performing well. Bitcoin leading the market 5%, higher than all the big caps at the moment. Chainlink having a good day. Theta having a good day. My portfolio did very well today. All my coins performed the best up here in the top 20, right? Bitcoin, ETH, Chainlink, Theta, VeChain. Look at that, man. You'll love to see that. You'll love to see that. But yeah, some good gainers there.
We'll hit $1 for.
Why am I blurry again, bro? Bro. Keep going blurry. Axie Infinity up. Dude, look at this thing. Bro. That thing was up 1,200% in the last 30 days, I just saw. Anchor, 22%. OKB, IOTA. Some really good altcoin gainers here. TerraFlow, Huobi, BitTorrent, Quant, Swissborg. Some really good gainers here on the for the altcoins in general, which is really nice to see. Biggest losers and everything here: Yearn Finance, Aave. Wow, some DeFi coins are dumping right now. DeFi coins. Yearn, Aave. Anything else really here? Not really. Top 2 gainers. Let's go look at some of our memer coins. What is this? Corgi Doge real estate payment. Interesting. I don't know if I would trust that for my real estate payment, but that's just me. If you guys want to trust that as your real estate payment, go right ahead. I'm going to pass. Miss Doge. Doge got married, guys.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Doge, you better be strapping up. You don't want kids yet, bro. You don't want kids yet. So make sure you're strapping up for Miss Doge. Golden Doge. Elon Doge. I can't with the Doges, man. But yeah, regular Doge, you better strap up. Because you don't want to be going to the moon just yet. Please. No moon. I wouldn't use that real estate coin if you're investing in real estate. I definitely would not do that. Definitely would not do that if I was you. BTC is done for tonight. It could be. That's what we said down here too. That's what we said down here too. So just be careful by saying Bitcoin's done for the night, because you know what normally happens is we get off the stream and then Bitcoin starts pumping, right? So never underestimate the power of mommy Bitcoin. Okay, never underestimate it. Hot coins, we literally looked at Axie, we looked at Anchor. Those are the top 2. It's not going to spend too much time on those. We looked at a bunch of the hot altcoins already. So disconnected. All right, there we go. I think I disconnected for just a second, guys. We're back. I disconnected for a second there.
Token is not a meme.
Audio. Audio is looking a little head and shoulders to me. A little bit head and shoulders to me. So you got left shoulder, you got head, you got right shoulder. You don't want to break this general neckline coming across here at about $1.04. Looking a little head and shoulders to me. But obviously if Bitcoin pumps, it's going to completely nullify that. So keep that in mind. Not any bearish divergence. You already had it and already played out. So you're fine there. Hourly doesn't look great. But what I will say is if you zoom in on the hourly, if you can round out again, you might have a little bit smaller cup and handle. And if you break that to the upside, obviously you probably come back up and test 130 on the smaller term time frames. So watch this very closely. I think it depends on if you break 122, you're going to test 129. If you get rejected and you can't break above 122, you come back down, probably going to retest down at 104. So that's what we're watching short term for audio. But I mean, daily looks fine. Daily looks like it wants to reverse to the upside. You're rounding out here, starting to make higher lows, right? You can see we're making lower lows. You were making lower lows. Now you're starting to make higher lows. So you're kind of rounding out here. You just got to get that impulse to the upside, break some of these prior highs, right? 141, and then you should be good to go. Not looking too bad. People begging for Sandbox. Oh, people were begging for Sandbox. VeChain versus Harmony. Which one will hit $1 first? I'm going to go VeChain. Nothing against Harmony necessarily. But I'm going to stick with VeChain there for sure. SPS token is not a meme coin. It has game in iOS. Interesting. I didn't know that, Lawrence. If I ever call something a meme coin and people don't agree, they always come at me. They always come at me. Sandbox seems legit. Yeah, I mean Sandbox legit. I own Decentraland. I don't own Sandbox, but I think they're both good projects. I'm just sticking to Decentraland personally. I guess it's not bad to diversify, but it's what it is. Lucius Ray, can you look at Shiba? Dude, we don't look at meme coins here, okay? So unfortunately, okay.
Nope. Nope.
Have to be respectful for everyone's time, right? I don't think Shiba. Just keep in mind, Shiba doesn't really have Shiba has a mind of its own, right? It's going to do what it wants to do. So keep that in mind. Can we please do ADA, Dr. Elliott? We did ADA a couple times already, man. So, like I said, you have the rundown on the top there. If you want to rewind the stream, you can see when that little red dot's on the ADA charts, and you can kind of see when we're talking about Cardano. Just to drop it. SHIB. Actually, what I will say about SHIB here is we did drop all the way down to number 43.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
And what's our goal for SHIB? Our goal is to get SHIB down to number 50. All right, and we're almost there. We are 7 spots away. You know, it's our 0.618 Fibonacci is at 50 on the market cap for SHIB. We got all the way up to like 28. Now we're all the way back down to 43. You see every other coin's kind of making its headway here, and SHIB's just kind of nope. So you can see everything else in the last 30 days is up 29%, 27%, 15%, 10%, 2%, 70%, 9%, 6%. And then you got SHIB last 30 days down 16%. So the SHIBers right now are getting pissed off because everything else is pumping, and SHIB is just saying no. So all the SHIBers out there, it might still pump, right? It still could pump, but I think people are moving away from SHIB. That's kind of what I'm seeing right now. Because everything else is pumping. Everything else is pumping right now. Look at this. 34, 42, 70, 39, 9, 12, 5, 9, 29, 29. Data fuel's down, but 2, 9. Still up, 6, 9. Everything else is pretty much up, and SHIB's just down 16%. So, do what you want with it, man. Do what you want. Yeah, when the meme coins pump, if the meme coins start going off again, if we start seeing meme coins doing, 20x, 30x, 40x in the top 100, I'm taking profits because that was a clear top signal last time. And I'll let you know if, when I take profits there. You just hate because you didn't buy the dip?
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Let's all pee in a short on SHIB. We got to push it down to 50. Everyone, all the SHIBers come at me. All the SHIBers come at me. When I start talking crap about SHIB. Robert said, everyone dumping SHIB for real coins. Absolutely facts, man. Absolutely. I still think SHIB will go up, right? I'm not saying SHIB is going to go down in price. I still think, over the course of the rest of this bull market, I do think SHIB will continue up. It's just that I think it's going to drop in market cap. So that's just what I think, man. BTC $10 sort of all-time high end of the year. Sort of all-time high end of the year. James, I don't really understand that super chat, man. You said BTC $10 sort of all-time high end of year. I'm trying my best to kind of wrap my brain around what's going on here, but I don't really understand, bud. I'm sorry. I really am. Where you at, SHIB Army? Jordan is not. We don't talk that stuff in the chat, man. Algo said, any chance you can see a short-term hourly chart for AMC and short-term analysis? Yes, man, I can do that for you. AMC Entertainment Holdings. I'm gonna see short-term hourly chart. See, I hate like this, like the small stuff like this. I don't know. This probably bothers me. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. Let's see. Any type of downwards resistance? Let me just check up here, man, real quick. Yeah. I think generally speaking, you're watching for this downwards resistance on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches on this downward resistance. I think that's where you're watching. If you zoom in a little bit more, 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. I think this is just a giant wick, if I'm not mistaken. It's one little fake out and you came right back in. So I think you're watching for a move. I think you'll see a move, within the next 4 days or so, I think, because you're kind of going between support and resistance. And if you break out to the upside, I mean, you have a ton of resistance up, but at least you'll know the general direction of kind of where you're going. So watch for a move by, in my opinion, next 4 days or so for AMC. Just like Safe Moon. Ace said, what do you trust more, moving averages or oscillators when it comes to reading the charts? Both. I think the RSI is the most important indicator in my opinion. No indicator is going to be perfect, right? But I think RSI is the best. Moving averages are pretty important too. It depends which one you use. I like the 20 exponential for shorter term time frames, and longer term I like the 200 simple moving average and 200 exponential moving average, depending on which time frame you're looking at. But I always say, if I had to choose one indicator and I only had one indicator to go off of, it would be the RSI. James said, do a poll of what coins people hold most of. I think we did that before. I think we did a poll. I think most people hold BTC. We could do different ones though. I mean, I think we did in a couple days ago, we did Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. I guess we can do a couple different ones. Let's do a couple different ones. Should we see all the memers in here? Let's do all the memers. Memers. What do you hold the most of? I think we did this before. But Doge, SHIB. What's another meme coin? What's another hot meme coin? I guess we could do Safe Moon. Safe Moon. Nothing. There we go. Meme coins should be banned. They're banned. I just want to see how many meme coiners there are in here. Let's see. Doge, SHIB, Safe Moon, or nothing. AMC. All right, BTC is chilling like a villain. We had a new hourly close on BTC. We're holding this level pretty nicely here. Looks like most people hold nothing. So at least most people in the chat hold nothing. Looks like more people own Safe Moon than I thought. So almost 10% of people own Safe Moon right now. That's pretty insane. Unless you guys are just trolling the poll. 10% of you guys own Safe Moon? No way. When's the last time Safe Moon pumped? Doge 20%, SHIB 14%, Safe Moon 9%, and nothing 57%. That's crazy. That's crazy. I never would have thought that. That blows my mind. That people still own Safe Moon, and a majority of people own Safe Moon. Here we go. No troll. 10% of 300 people. There's a Safe Moon group here. A lot of SHIB holders out there. 602%, 2,000 and growing. Yeah, a lot of people like SHIB. I just joined a trolled. I voted SHIB. Most people probably just trolled. Bob's going to close that poll out. Yeah, Bob. I think Bob owns more Doge than SHIB. I could be wrong. I don't think he owns SafeMoon, but I know he owns like, I think he's like 60% Doge, 40% SHIB. And that's all he owns. He doesn't own anything else. I think. I don't know. He's kind of sporadic with his buys. Bob is where's Bob doing right now? He's just chilling. He's chilling. He's waiting for a troll to come out in the chat. I'm waiting for all the trolls. Waiting for all the trolls in the chat. You guys know the stream, make sure you guys up. As always. As we kind of just hang out. I think we're pretty much on the Q&A section here. Let me change it. I mean, we're kind of just shooting the S like we normally do at the end of the stream here. Waiting to see if Bitcoin makes a move. Looks like it's trying to back up to 39,150. It keeps going down and up, down and up, down and up. So hopefully one of these times we can start making a move. 15-minute. Not really seeing much there. I think one thing to watch on this 15-minute, I guess we can keep it on this for the rest of the stream. Left shoulder, head, possible right shoulder if you can't break up here. So we'll see if that plays out, just for fun. Just for a little funsies there. Now if we start pumping, it's gonna completely nullify this. But we'll see if the crystal ball, as I would say. Where's my lady here? I don't have a crystal ball. All I have is the charts, right? So if anyone wants to challenge me to predicting the future, let me know, because I can predict everything in the future, right? I know where Bitcoin's going next week. I know where Bitcoin's going in 30 minutes from now. So if you want to challenge me, come at me, bro. Anyone that's new to the stream is probably like, what the heck's going on right now? I can read the charts, okay? For anyone that's new. So you don't want to follow anyone else besides me. I'm just kidding. It's a joke. No one knows what's going on right now. All right, Bitcoin is going up. Bitcoin's going up. Let's see if it gets rejected here. Let's see if this plays out. Pumping. We're trying to pump. What's up, Claire? Good to have you in here. Hope you're doing well, Claire. Come at me, bro. Just hold BTC. Just hold BTC and chill. Absolutely. That's what we do. We hold BTC, we chill, we hang out, we watch the charts, and we shoot the S. That's what we do. We definitely shoot the S here. Guys, if you guys are new to the stream, we go through all that stuff up there in the top list. If I could point in the right direction. Right up there. We go through all that stuff up there. So if you need to look at anything, you'll see that little red dot on the right-hand side. And you can rewind the stream and go over whatever section you want to go over. So for anyone that didn't know that, it's kind of the whole point of that. So keep that in mind. All right, let's see if it plays out. Looks like my little 15-minute head and shoulders looking a little juicy here. Looks like we're getting rejected at that level. What's up, S-Top? What's going on, S-Top? Hope you're doing good, man. Thanks for coming a member. At Jordan Knight member. If you guys want to become a member, like I said, it's a new thing. So it's on the bottom right-hand side. Do that. You get custom emojis. Get a little green little thing in the chat. I can see your messages in the chat a little bit easier while I'm streaming. It makes it easier for my eyes and knows who's who. And also, I'm going to be doing member-only live streams on Saturday mornings going from now on. I think I decided Saturday mornings is going to be the day for the member-only live streams. And I'll be doing member-only videos as well coming shortly. So check it out if you haven't, guys, already. Bring up your coins against Bitcoin. Most are down and better to hold BTC. Yeah, it's better to hold BTC right now. I mean, you don't even need to do that. You can just look at the Bitcoin dominance, right? Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin's crushing altcoins right now. Just be careful. Like we originally had this as an ascending triangle, but the more I look at this, the more I kind of see a left shoulder, or sorry, not a left shoulder. I see 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, a possible rising wedge, right? So, watch to see that. I think a move up to 50%, the dominance could be the next move there. Bring him back, Chris. We can bring back Chris. Actually, you guys, you guys want to say hi to Chris real quick? We'll say hi to Chris. We haven't said Chris. Chris, he's actually hanging out with me right here. Chris, you want to come on the stream real quick, bud? You do? All right, cool. Sounds good. I'm gonna have Chris come on the stream real quick. He's just gonna kind of shoot the S for you guys real quick, because I know you guys missed my brother.
You had to fire him. What's the story with that?
I heard your mom made you hire. Oh, that was great. Thank you, IR. That was awesome, man. I'll have Chris tell you that story, but that is hilarious, dude. IR said, I heard your mom made you hire Bob and you had to fire him the same day. What's the story with that? I'll have Chris tell that story. All right. All right, Bitcoin's pumping on the new 15-minute chart, or 15-minute candle. Let's see what happens here. Will we pump, or will we kind of confirm this inverse head, or sorry, this head and shoulders pattern?
When 70K viewers like Asmongold.
When 70K viewers like Asmongold? I don't know, man. That's hilarious. All right, let's bring out Chris. Come on, Chris. Let's go. All right, Chris is going to hop on, guys. I'll see you in just a second. Chris is going to hang out with you guys for a little bit. All right? If you guys are new to the stream, this is my brother, Chris. I have two brothers. I have Chris, who's my normal brother, and I have Bob. He's a basement dweller and a troll, okay? And there's also Ken down the street, and we also have Jabba the Short. Jabba the Short hasn't came out today. He's liquidated. But I'm going to bring on Chris. Everyone say hi, and I'll see you guys in just a minute, all right? What's going on, guys? Long time no see. It's your boy Chris. It's your boy Chris. Yeah, guys, Bitcoin's doing pretty good today, huh? I actually went on vacation. I went down to what's it called? Niagara Falls. Just to kind of get away from the Bitcoin charts for a little bit. But I'm back here. Glad to see you guys, and I hope you are all doing well. Well, I kind of came on just to kind of talk about the new Bitcoin head and shoulders pattern that could be playing out here. We could have a right shoulder coming out here. Could be pretty interesting. So we'll see what happens. Chris is growing on me. But yeah, and, head and shoulders pattern could be going on here. We'll see what happens. 39,750 is our next target if we don't confirm this. All right, we're back. All right, we're back. We're back. Oh man, we're back, guys. You guys here? You guys here? We now go. All right, cool. I don't know what happened there. Get a little lag spike, but yeah. If you guys thought Jordan did a good job today, make sure you guys, if you guys could leave a bowl in the chat if you thought Jordan did a super job today. I thought he did really freaking good. You know, so let me know. Let him know he did good. Let him know he did good by leaving a bowl in the chat. All right, 39,315 for BTC. Will we pump up to the upside? Look at that. I even got the hat rocking too. We back. YouTube doesn't like Chris. I guess not. YouTube doesn't like Chris. Tell Bob to pay the internet bill. He can't. Actually, Jabba the Short pays the internet bill. Jabba the Short's my cousin. All he does is sit in his room and short all day. So like, you know, once every 4 years he makes a killing and he lives off that money. And then the other 3 years he just gets liquidated over and over and over again. Because all he does is want to short Bitcoin. So he lives off one every 4 year salary, and then the rest of the time he doesn't make any money. Like literally no money. So the only thing he is responsible for paying for is the electric bill. Jordan pays the rent, and all, and Bob's car bill, and he pays Bob's rent, and all that type of stuff. So I pay my own stuff personally. Jeff said I can't go over how much Chris sounds like Jordan. Man, we want inside scoop on Bob getting fired. Oh yeah, IR. So Bob, here's what Bob did. Okay, so Jordan hired Bob to work at McDonald's. Okay, because my mom made him hire Bob. He didn't want to because Bob has no work ethic at all. So they put Bob on the cash register to start on his first day. And what did Bob do? Well, one customer was complaining about how slow Bob was being. And what he did was he literally flipped out on the first customer. Okay, you know, let me bring up Bob so you guys can get his sort of reaction at the customer. Okay. Why are you yelling at me? Why are you yelling at me? You ordered a single cheeseburger. You ordered a single cheeseburger. You did not order a double cheeseburger. All right? This is ridiculous. I don't need this job. I own Shiba and Doge. This customer ordered a single cheeseburger, not a double. This is ridiculous. I don't deserve to get written up for this. This is ridiculous. And that was kind of what happened with Bob at McDonald's. Okay, so he got fired, and now we're kind of at where we're at again, and he has to find another job. He lost the only opportunity that he had, so he's back in the basement watching around the blockchain again, and that's kind of that. So that's kind of that. You maybe miss around the blockchain. Oh man, that's too funny. Richard Hart, that happens to me at McD's all the time. Oh, dude, this cartoon guy looks pretty good. I'd definitely rock him like in everyday life. If I looked like this in everyday life with the neck and everything, I'd be balling. What's up, Jimmy? Taco Bell next. Yeah, I guess he's gonna reply to Taco Bell. Kind of where we're at. I'm the only responsible one in the family. I made, Chris. My name's Chris. Jordan still has to work at McDonald's. He didn't do tour. He didn't save as much money as I did. I saved enough to get me through this little mini bear market. Jordan didn't. He all he does is buy the dips, so he has no money to pay. Jordan has no money to pay his bills. He just buys all the dips. So that's why he has to work at McDonald's to pay his bills, and so he can buy a couple extra Cardanos a week. And I saved up all my money. I don't buy as many dips as Jordan does, but touche. And then Bob just doesn't work. He just gets supported by mom and dad. Where's Chris? This is Chris. You might have game as a tune. Chris has a side hustle at Disney. Always keep some dry powder. Always. Jordan doesn't keep any dry powder. Paul said this is as confusing as Clark Kent and Superman. All right, guys. Good to see you. I just want to kind of explain the head and shoulders possible we could be in. Looks like it's playing out here. Looks like we're getting rejected at the same point as the left shoulder. I'm going to have Jordan come back on. It was good to see y'all. Quick, maybe I'll see you guys in tomorrow's stream if we're pumping. And catch you soon. I'm going to have Jordan come back on. Good to see y'all. Jordan, hop off into the stream, bro. Hop back into the stream. All right. See you guys. Chris, can you tell Bob? Can you tell Bob that my mom wants him downstairs? Can you tell him? Please? Thank you. All right. What's going on, guys? I'm back with my beautiful face. He said Jordan doesn't keep dry powder. What did Chris say about me? He said I don't keep dry powder. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. I always keep dry powder. I swear I don't buy all the dips. All right. Well, it looks like Bitcoin is kind of just chilling right now. Will we get the pump that we're all expecting, or will we not get the pump? That's what we're waiting for here, fellas. Yeah, the same habits, chugging water. Facts. He said you're broke. Bob the Dilder, can you fix it? Yeah, I mean, we pretty much looked at everything we wanted to look at today, guys. So I might call it a stream. What we did that was important today. We got a first daily close since May 19th above the 20-day moving the 20-day exponential moving average, and we are currently. Let me check the weekly here. Come on, you can load for me. Come on, TradingView. Come on, TradingView. TradingView is slow. And we are right at our 20-week EMA. I think that's what's keeping us down right now. That's at 32,890, no, 39,400. So we're right below that. I don't know. I want to get off, but I feel like we're going to do something here. I don't know. I feel like as soon as I get off, we're going to start pumping. What do you guys think? If I get off, are we going to start pumping? I know it. I still have that little feeling in my timberies here. I don't know. Another success day. Yeah, I'm probably gonna call it a stream, guys. I feel like as soon as I get off, it is gonna pump though, which makes me not want to get off at the same time. I'll probably yeah, I'm gonna get off. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you for guys having another fantastic stream. If you guys haven't joined the Discord, go join the Discord down below. Links in the description. Go join the Twitter if you haven't already. Also, Shavai and Larry also just became members. Thank you guys for becoming members. Squad up, I guess you could say. Squad up. They've become Jordan Knight members. And I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Make sure you guys don't panic, sell your crypto. Probably expect a pump as soon as I get off. If this head and shoulders doesn't play out. If it does, look for a move back down to 38,700. Catch y'all later. Peace out. Thank you for everyone for watching. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.